Chidagaka ikomi na isano nemo igoro yense yamo yabono magoroba ritko neri ya Jumamosi chitariki ya 23 mutinyo gatano gatatu mwaka 2025 kero twekira sensemeye omubugani manyakaini muna village park yorase wodi ya Keumbu ebunge nyaribari chachime county ya Kisii enkwana ya bene ebitaseni byonsi bigokwana somonwa bwekegusi ekeroto gukwana eyema seyemo n'umuwaziri uteneta magana y'ikisemi ime ya Kenya Julius Migos Ogamba Weire ango mwaka oyo mogesa choretwe ko irase gosegotenere wizara y'ikisemi ime ya Kenya maonchoreria mange toro chagendeta kwenda kigwa se wizara eyo kurende boigo chinse mogosensemo yenda abange babeire bagukwandirana gusaba gukwana na goteba iguru ya challenges chigenderete kwenda kigwa se wizara y'ikisemi ayandarakana ko bagosinayo maina ayandarakana ko bana ayo burimo nasengenche yo twabege tumurubirio bugoche gukwana nerebene linda bekagukwanira umugusi bwensi asabeta elindo mugusi anyare kumanya yagenderete kwenda kigwa ase wizara y'ikisemi ime ya Kenya boiga magana siasa nabe gakwenda kigwa na tutebi mirobiro kyabegeta sengencho kando noko mu waziri w'ikisemi ya Kenya nigaro mwana siasa na aligetie kerogo kyobujumbe ebunge ya kitutu cha Cheno tinga kicyamagega arenge running mate kero arenge kolgie kerogo kyobo governor noyo kabiri mu waziri ubireteri bagali yaye mu waziri Machogu sengenche inda toko tebe karanso ike bitaseni byonsi bikwana muno gweke gusino bira bike mbaikirane ya sengencho bagota sababu ambazo hatuwezi kuziepuka korende ime iyo murobiro yo etaya television nere represented Getembe television Getembe FM nere represented na boigo Kisii television nere represented asensemo yende Egesa FM nere represented Radio Vuna nere represented na bande kero bakoenderete guika sensemeye libagali yabene liarwe tuguchya sigeta seni kya Minto FM ekyoge tanyara guikirana gaiga sengencho yokobeka matangazo y'umupira yogenderete kwenda kigwa matangazo y'ekigosori cya Chan korende nigoto bwate blessings cyabo assesset nigonde n'abaralia ba Minto mu waziri no ara senseme korende ntagete kororori bago cya sabaralia ba Minto narabarabugo baruli baga ncheni gonkoro kwa Jobo Ngaga korwa segeta seni gieta television sabo yana yo koriyo igange na inche akwanere ningo na inde na kiago kwa na introduction yayo
Yakigima muri Competency job ongaga kureta TV nchenkoro kwa brand sagilisena ya mwase mkura segeta seni ya Kisii TV nubego chinga kiaga kigima tuanyolele bagari ya kigima wisaranse no waziri teneta mara kisemegega sense ya Kenya mheshimiwa wakili Migos Ogamba ujya sama tukabere bono aberiga gukoreta arabane kimaga ya sorongora gusi abigo kurigereria emirobere bere tatu kurasa serikali nene na gatim robere yo na monokorira bagana yo wagati wegeti kirige chinde gose strip ya sunika se constituency ya Bonchari county ya Kisii boigo akagenda ayemo aseyemo kuchikurigereria magana alingete university yo chiko wagati wa chinsemo chia wajurugena very special way tukubaliane marago ya rita seni nasipino mtojo bati kirwate bato sangene masobo ime maswali ni spina moya tumowetra si platform chito chons tuwetra eta TV astinse mojiricha online wetra Kisii TV amandegare musia sense media online platform chonsi abago wetra Getembe TV asti platform chons abago magaito toroche tiwingi makigime krawa no yo minto mose Joseph Mose na roteneta mangana production ya igaba kubwatra na kakasungora hot TV na wale gaiga na abago brand mtonga na bagono minto ali kila mmoja ako ndani. Asante sana ya masemo wikaso omoli kominto yominto inok mukate
asegeka serikali wasense ya Kenya nigo yabaire nse yomurubirio O844 makoeta nigo makoyo wase yomurubirio obutoka natwasara rasmi asomurubirio OCBC gose computer based curriculum boigo asomwa kugocha kwa swatoli nanda sumurubirio nde okoro kwa CBE eyeniki kigako gara korekana na kiara korekana ne abaibuli una mole kagabu naki perengere tine ke serikali to ya gani singa CBC bune ndata koba abono iga ine nje bangete biya osekerengere kia una yokurwa kwetera sichina machito chichi SMS cha CCTV chito na bego asechire chito amorobirio yo buchirwe kara CBE re karabana bacho swati karasi komi naki bawo chigoso karanso ike tukumanya gutantan mono buteye kara waziri no arega kwiraniria onsi unatrara tukumubonye natwamanyigwa gotokotoka aseki digital app chito chonsi na bayo kurwa aseki television chito na bayo aseki tv kikuru kwa mkata enok kurwa aseki television yagatembe na bayo tembe fm karibu akartugo chaka job
Biamono oyo mkata enok boigo Brian saginera bna tikiri ukwana bono nigo tore set tore ready ase ogochia ukwanira na bene no mu waziri otenete chisemi mea Kenya waziri Julius Migos ngakinera abantu bagatebirenga Migosi esegie kabasana bagatari bwenta ko Migos kolene nayo bwenta gotonekeria Migos use Migosi tigo tugore nimbya mono waziri asogo twara chingaki goikaransa sege kareke lindo kwanero mu gusibwe nsi asabeta abantu bonsi abagusina bakurigereria chi television chonsi na bagotegerera chi radio station cheke gusikira sorongoro nasenge cyo waziri ndaisego kwali bagari tanga nikegima elindo kwani omurigereria nabo igwa bategereria asibale oire chingaki cyabene ko bakwani for the first time because we are doing this for the first time ngesagwa cyo tukomo waziri iri baganiria waziri.
Asante sana Job, asante sana Brian, asante sana Enoch. Ninde no mwoko sana kobana inuga igarero na ende ngireli bageri. Ukwani abantu bamintu bonse bagusi na kobatebinga na rodre buya ochaga iga ase station yikitu kyagusi. Ukwana no mugusi elio nyare kwereria abantu baitu bonse nyare correspond uchasa maswali mubwate wetera sensemo education challenges chirimoro chirororo mberese bune serikali nkegendrete gukora ku make sure ng'abana baitu mbagendrete gosoma skuru Kenya ngima na gusiya ito igo ninde ready okore gasi yeye ninde ready kugamba nainu rero ninde ready gujibwa maswali nonsi elinde elio munyare kumanya ingitogendrete gukora kaitu arure kaitore kaitugochia elinde tutarire amo ninde mogo sana kobaga igarero abancha bategereri tukwana nainwe na abakwaniri amaiga mange mbiamono
Nimono waziri unamoigure no waziri Julius Migos Ogamba wakili uyo obeira se ekeruge kase ngakinkagere to mwako kareko era waziri ninto chukwanira mangana mange buna ba minto babiri bagukwana ntokwanira mangana university funding model ntokwanira mangana capitation na UR3 amangana abire kago kwanwa nga chibesa mara cha keigwe serikali atanga ya chibesa na wachiri buna chibwenere takoba tukwana mangana buna mkata ate ba CBC guchigo chenche cha CBE wana siasa na baro na bara aba makase ngenchorende bo niga tutegeta abantu baramanya mangana y'ichisemi nabo ge wizara y'ichisemi unagendrete ko enekia ase entunde ntanga ni waziri kwa bera abisi asege kakyo mwako yom ninki wakoro mu gusiara isa gotabanga waziri gesaba ebintu byagukwa na mayano bikorre. You can tell us some of the things wakore for the period kwa bera se wizara itseme.
Thank you Job. Una mumanyete ona chole tugo so asikiro ko mutinyu 8 2024 ekara na chole tugo so obisi ona nyorete changamoto chungu nzima ase sector education egente getangani kyang welcome it negento ye strike nchi alengo cha takere ko bachanat strike cha kupet strike cha wasu strike cha kusu na kudhea koru primary secondary pake university paka abana be university mbategete ko na strike so egente getangani na korete no kugamba ne union kugamba n'abarimu kugamba ne lecturer koberesa nga ikiagera elie yarenge third term keresa abantu banatinga twesiko gende strike kuchu affect tura abana bali guchokora matemu ya form 4 abana bali gucha move ku grade 8 gucha grade 9 abana bali bande bakora matemu abo kuri class ekamo kwendekene tukanegotiate na borobwo paka tukaiwana obokongu babwate tukanyora a solution tukaprepare tuikorunga return to work formula baganjira na kwira negasi ekera bune serikali mtu anyorete solution ye problem ya babwate problem kwanza babwate nene nelinga CBA yabo konyora ya taniri amagana arengo tanya gutimizwa tuganjira na magana yatimizwe na nechibes chiare ngoro chiatakire bakanwe chindenke echinde spread koru 2024 uchi miaka yendere mutwe ko make sure ngewese ineroro na nimagendere wakanwa problem ende babwate ne ilinga chi CBA chiabo collective bargaining agreements echiare ko negotiated at the end of their cycle yani kara miaka iliare nali bago cha negotiate gochimagega tali gochimutwe unono nanyorete CBA yabo ya 2017 to 2021 konyora njanya kwa completed ya 2021 to 2025 it had also not been completed so tukanjira nangango solve tole tukajisolve na tukaiwa nanga uchimotwe CBAs echiko negotiated at the beginning of their cycle nkarwe directive nga CBA collective bargaining agreements cha balimu collective bargaining agreements each lecturer chibe negotiated at the beginning of their cycle na kimwarorera mutinyoria bargaining agreement CBA ya NAT ya KUPPET ya 2025-2029 mba negotiate in 2025 wakasign. So that is something that we have achieved. Now ntumanyitenga chiwe siringa chitakiro mwaka oyo irenga chitakire next year paka 2029 iye ko make it easy for serikali kubanga na go budget towards the future not backwards. Kiagera karamo ko negotiate backwards eko very difficult to get the money to pay. So ini achievement ya mo job tu akolire tu anyorire ase ko ensure na balimu baito bari in classroom ili abana baito banyora amasomo bunatakire kara tu agenda ase sector ya university it had also the same problems bargaining agreement chabo chitanya ko side pension funds chabo chitaiyo chinde chiasirete on the way problem cha promotions chabo chitaro korburonge problems babwate chinde cha retirement age chitanya ko was dealt with tukaikaranza na borobu kyara na banda basomo tukamba na borobu tukaiwana tukaanza kusolve problem ichi chabo chonse tukarosi return to work formula lakini mwarochirete university na moi konyora yakule kabisa konyora nyorobo kongu putanya kororekana abana babere university elia barenge gosoma emiaka 9 instead of course ikwere miaka 6 yaire miaka 9 yare kwere miaka 3 yaire miaka 7 abana ba very depressed abana konyora banziro commit suicide so ikatobidi ngato negotiate enshwenga chi university cheito abantu batigera asekrasi so tuka negotiate na nechi team cheito tukaiwana nganonya going forward etuko agree etuko chemesa twagamba a problem era tokero une serikali tu solve. So we solved those issues. We came up with a long-term program yogo deal na mangana pension chabo. We came up with the issues cha retirement age tukaya set abantu bande bakorita at 65 abantu 70 abantu 79 depending on the level of level of your professional career that you are in. Kuna one senior lecturer, professor in some universities, they are now retiring at 79. So we resourced and we sorted out the problem we use yarengoro elio lecturer chitigare a classroom. Kaboigo ekagera a university again una moi bakanyara ko graduate abana bari konyora bakwamire a university. The first batch ikawa graduated in November 2024. The second batch wali barenga medicine konyara bakwamira abandi barenga almost 10 years bakagraduate mutinyu gatatu omwaka oyo eyagerete bono ko make it possible abana wa apply ko ende university ya Moi abansi to ko admitted abana bansi ko admitted mutinyu oyo tare 20 on Wednesday this week babera admitted bagendere to ko endera okara amasomo so ikinegendo kende to achieve in primary in secondary schools monyorete kara tu asoete gasi problem ya lengoro ya domiciling of junior school in primary schools a challenge ya lengoro timwende yaro tebangananga junior school baba domiciled as a senior school as a secondary lakini ekara serikali ya chite into power our president, His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, now he set up a task force, a presidential task force, which went throughout the country. Wakanyora submissions kurukira abantu bagateba, including parents, inga bategete junior school ever domiciled in primary schools. Now, a challenge kamenya kobanga in these primary schools, facilities in chiyo, chisa ine awanaba kuchakoberoro. So ekaranso etenyo the grade 8 in 2024, but the move which grade 9 in 2025 January. Elinso obviously August. A challenge yegaanza in September. To confirm, because the Presidential Working Party, our Kenya batebetena abana bakiara nabake babe domiciled in primary schools. So got to bidding we kabono torosi classrooms. Chisa ine aba bana ba grade 8 gocha kumove gochi grade 9 in the primary schools. Tukachane program after assessment koretwe tukanyoranga we require at least 16,000 classrooms. Eli grade 9 yenyar kumove gochi grade 8 yenyar kumove gochi grade 9 in the primary schools. So tukanyora chibesa for World Bank tukachane structure a strategy yokwagache these classrooms in the shortest possible time. Ne structure tu achitna erone elinga tukakora assessment tukanyora kile classroom will cost 1 million. So tukateba if a school requires 2 classrooms, tukatumira 2 million bagacha classrooms we decentralized the procurement and the construction of those classrooms. So ikamenya kwa possible kratuans tukagacha those classrooms in October 2024. We managed to do the classrooms by March 2025. We had already done 18,000 classrooms. The 16,000 which the ministry was doing, and there is another 7,000 that Chiarokoru in conjunction with CDF. So that we combined together by May this year, we had done 23,000 classrooms to cover the classroom requirements for grade 9. So in achievement ya mtu manage it because by January kara to admit abana bakuru grade 8 bache grade 9, we had already done over 14,000 classrooms. So it was possible to admit abana. By March we had done 18,000, by May we are already at 23,000, and we've continued to ensure that facilities. That is what enabled a transition grade 8 go to grade 9 a cover seamless a classroom. That's another achievement we did. In that same October, in order for the transition to take place, we were required to do 9.9 million books, textbooks, because ya sheria watawanga kero mwana in the core subjects yao kara atokinabwate a textbook agosomera. So we also managed to publish and distribute the 9.9 million books by December 15th of 2024, so that ekera bana bago cha January bagatoke ebitau biribya mbikole that mbiror. Another achievement, Job and Brian and my brother Mkate, is the exams. I came in and we were supposed to do the KCSE exams 2024. Kuna mumanyete ama tukamange usinko nyakora guyarenge bicharanga amangana y'amatemu tali okorugoronge. In fact, if you recall, abantu bariko and station une inoga montoteba ku Nairobi nganya gutageto mwana agende university notamwira skuru neons mwire gusi kera bariko ra gusinga gusinko ibara matemu kunancho rega ngacha gusi mutinyu komi around October nkamit chi principal chitu cha gusi ngabatebye iliegere tokonye ilietaliito tigatubwaterane abana baitu bakora matemu makosa ndita beso koraki tabasotoka abalimu bakanyuwera naende bagancha tukabwaterana abalimu chi principal, the teachers themselves, abantu ba interior ngao the team tukabwaterana iliekera matemu alitu akolete 2024 in Kisii malpractice yende nyakoraki njatoka ikagera matemu kera twayasoka in January amatemu agatoka aliara maya paka mondo nite yo complaint tinga gusi this time ni nja ipeta matem usama temwa usina wate malpractice. Across the country, we managed to ensure that we have released results chiri abana wale entitled to. That is why darakora Brian, that is why chiskuru nchire chitanya gutuma mwana uchiye university. In 2024, for the first time, there are schools chitometa abana uchiye university because amatemu akoletu genuinely. So that's another achievement, and there are many more. I can go through so many others. But thank you.
Torocho mo viso mura se ikyomberia puppet na sogete sana ka kauma na gari sana akalera sana gatanga no ro engagement ko kaba cyabo serikali mwa batugutire sana matana masla ya aba muraja ligeri boye bakatana intu bidisa ko baba ndumuna muraba tumedi waziri karwa tabangere ndebira mwa biso bibionsipi does it mean mo biso dinero otara get your point nga mabiro mabikole was there is a miscommunication from your side na bako ko chiasa.
And thank you for that. I remember I saw that the lady came and spoke. Amangana ya medical cover ya balimu igare akoba handled na TSC. So there is a cover that TSC enters into the private insurer provider to provide medical services for the teachers. And the teachers are not at the same level, each one of them. So the structure is different. They are graduated. So I do not have the data or the facts that she was talking about. And remember also, we have SHA that has come in and other medical services that the government provides even under the Ministry of Manpower. So I don't know exactly what it is that she was complaining about. But I'm saying in our negotiations, with that, the issues raised at that point, we dealt with them and we said how they are supposed to be. For example, if it is medical cover, whatever, then we would say medical cover ever provided na TSC in the same way that they have been doing. So you know, for Kuruaigas SMA yaito onya tuakore tuagambire tuakode. Bali wachi implement. Maybe she was talking about the implementation. So implementation might be having some challenges, but once you determine a challenge or implementation, so that is exactly what I was saying, Brian.
Was it one of the challenges there is no specific medical cover for them? She was questioning why we have medical cover when you why we not having medical cover.
And that's what now where Brian key into a keratoco negotiating a movers and strike because of medical cover, medical cover will be provided. Provided, that is implementation, is an operational issue. Whether they are going to do it one, whether they are going to do it another one under SHA, whether they are going to do it as a joint venture, in a manner and implementation. So, and I can't answer specifically because I don't have the issue. The specific issue at the core is but teachers are entitled to medical cover. That is the global position. How it is done or how the TSC is implementing it, what is the challenge? Only challenge the next issue, another negotiation, then you deal with it on your operational, but it is there. Medical cover is available for the teacher. They are supposed to have. Yeah.
Thank you. Waziri, by this bado tukiwa tukiata basa marali temigro ya boro na baga bakuri gas which school nation university. Boro chebo igo umo secretary general go marali gete waso ose university academic staff union Constantine Wensonga. Na so kiwa ngana kaku anere kwa ya kura sana tabanga there is no way mote tenga chi professor chi school chi ko butu wose chi ganda ka wose something of that kind. Tumayeti waziri on this na.
Yeah, thank you for that. Also, again, the Q Professor Wesonga whatever is part of the solution to provide the say amangana yo ko ensure sustainability aware university. Let me roll back, and I'll take again Moi as an example. a problem for example muyebwate they overemployed yani bakalika abantu baetaneti abana bali babonete go support okay karabalika abantu kara twakora analysis tukanyora mbabwate overemployment y'abantu baetaneti 1300 Moi's payroll is at 450 million per month. Bali konyara raise because they have overemployed. So one of the sustainability strategies is to slowly and progressively retrench those workers with payment, of course, under the retrenched, like that. So what he was talking about is that you can move us but by law, retrenchment is allowed because toko tuaraba antu tanyare kulin. Yani toko ndenga
excuse.
Likaba antel fumbiri lakini tubu atubeso kora okubakana. So tari kobutua. It's called retrenchment. Okay. It's actually rationalization.
Yeah.
So that you are, for example, iga this land. Oranyora utakere kwa kulika abantu bako kuna cy'obunyansi maybe abantu babiri. Obako nya abantu babiri kire bako na cy'obunyansi obo obali abantu 15. So iminute abantu 13 gastiyo bako karaki. Bali kire lakini gastiyo bako. Wano mo nde imbatiko bagender. So you know kera wocha kwa nyole problem. You first solve the problem. The problem will you deal with it. Ditangani. Oiso kuteba ngani no tete kumanya nga abantu bali getu was in 2000 kera bali getu.
Yeah.
Wono ngisikwira nga I'm spending 7 hours per day kumanya nga ingo bali gete instead of solving a problem. Tingo nyara solve that problem. Abantu bali getu and you know the history of these universities. You could tell. And university and all that, you know those things. But now that problem is what we are holding. It's like the national debt that we have. Yeah, debt abantu ba bore tichibese previously. Lakini wone kara watch office kwa nyori lideni nikorete diro. Ono kuikwa kaneli lideni. Uzo wit karasanga na abantu ba ryo tekumanya kiba bore to sinki chakorete. To move, a country will collapse. So that is what we are doing. What we are doing in the ministry, again to talk as a ministry, we are solving problem buna chokara na chigocha. Buna kanyole problem kuikaransa ni timu yani to aboli nga kitoko solve problem we egere togendere which mutu. Mangana yago chumagega acha corona abantu bandi go institution chinde chikore chiro.
Waziri gwatebire nga akaro mwagachire birasi ebi mwabibekire mwabayira abana abayige bitabo CBC computer-based competence-based competence tali gosoma gwoka oyole likanika abalikanika oyole pilot and abikuchia bone bitabo byoka mwabayire competence gayera.
Yes, thank you for that question. I think competence-based education means we combine both Maria academic theory ne talent yobwate. Not necessarily that's a completely different thing to in technical colleges and TVETs. You start from grade 6, 7, 8, na previously from grade 4, 5 and all that. Buno mwana kunya wasomali klasi nkororole nga yale talented towards. Buno mwana wakonya mwana ubwate interest mono as music. Yeah. So you guide and you help that child to konyora yani kugrow a talent yeli kakendete kusoma. So that by the time ako chokole school isikotoka nga interest ya awere mono cha say music aba allowed kugendera ini ya music. That is why kerokuru grade 9 okwenda grade 10 we have 3 pathways.
Yeah.
We have STEM, which is science based. We have social sciences, they will go that line, and we have arts and sports, which is the third pathway.
Yes.
So that by the time mwana kurubono abago chora chi school grade 9 abago chora towards interest ili akorethek abwate other than the education. Remember 844 there was nothing like that computer based. 844 was you read, you do wasoma wakorirwa matemo esi gotoka ngari kulire guchokora matemo you had a stomach ache kwa ruaret wokogwa mangana aya korire aherere gabo lakini competence based ebintu byo gosoma grade 8 grade 7 8 and 9 ebibwata 40%.
Okay.
So by the time you go assessment you get grade 10 you have already 40%, you've been assessed 40%. Grade 10 kero matemo abana bachokora in November you got 60%, meaning that you must mawa according to 7 8 and 9 tell west. Lakini before in other 844 whatever you did in class nchiare go count ndio count na matemo oka. So competence based is wider and takes into account many other things, so that you can gosoma te toka nga kwa renge just one line ili kwe na kikiagera kada ba koleta assessment banyo na 844 ni bwate disadvantages to abantu bali bwate certain talents. So kada wano to go move to these pathways. That is why in this October to build 1,600 labs. 1,600 labs to ensure abana bakoenda STEM eskuru ile bakogenda nebwate chi lab chisaine barabugosoma science. So we are providing the facilities. That's why we are doing academies, these sports academies chibwate stadiums, so that abantu bote tokora sports batokamba what the facilities open. That is why if you listen to our speech and request in Sagana on Saturday when we were there with the president, we asked that because one to answer utwara a pathway ya arts, creative arts and sports, to be allowed kuagacha a National Academy of Arts and Music, so that abana bali wacho kutoka ba kora batagete kwenda maybe a university lakini batagete ko major in music or something bagende academy egere they are able to continue ensuring a talent yawe commercialized. So these pathways have widened. They have widened the chances, the opportunities of our children instead of limiting them to one side. That's what competency-based is about. So the books that we gave is accordance to the subjects that they were doing.
Thank you. Ekaro ko korage my job agenda ase ebintu biga una bono chiskuru chinyinge geto na rurenda ase ebintu binge bikorgu na abana baito besi bete echiro bako na kwanda kwa usa chichiro gaiga tindara buna bono ase chiskuru chiri ase CBC oserende na baibuli bandu batanga ndoranyora facilities cy'umwana nyato batebe imiroro. Of course ngoja bari babusa chichiro chiro chigaiga ngobarora tole ngo kava tole news nande no koni chinyeni chiri konyorori besi bete babingi na bangina bakoni no kuruga bari at least chindagera chiri ngwe tabe bari ba complain ngachingo go chiatori kuruga na kiyakoba, lakini the science now part of it because we need these labs uchibona sababu chikanda they are going to national schools chibwata chilabo already, lakini chibona cha junior secondary we've not seen those labs like doing chiko work.
Yeah, what I'm again talking about no question, we mapped the country.
Yes.
So chiskuru nchire konyora chitabwate those labs, chitabwate those facilities. We've done virtual labs. We have done mobile labs by the equipment, the SEPU, our school equipment program. They do mobile labs chiacha into those schools. And we have also combined labs, for example, junior school kera, senior school kera, next, onye lab keroro, abana na wako endoro wako raki basoma. But moving to now, grade 10, where we are going to have pure STEM, we are providing those labs. It's 1,600 labs tochi okora. Mapping ya korwa egatoka chiskuru chirichiro or abana wako chakwenda chitabu at those labs, and we are doing them from this October and they'll be ready in December. So by January kala abana wako ende school etoke mbakole baror in Kisii and Nyamira Out of the 1,600 labs, we'll be doing 47. In Kisii and Nyamira, we have mapped to school, they'll have 47 of them being done. And I forgot to tell you that out of the many classrooms that were done, the 23,000, many others were done in our schools here to make sure we now facilities. So what is happening is this, Mkate.
Yes.
We are in a transition because these reforms which talk about CBC started in 2012. That's when they started doing this program. The first batch I started in 2017. I started grade 1. I want in grade 9 today. So it has been there, and we are still in the transition because it was a transition university in 2029. So we are still in the middle, and as we are doing, we are navigating and steadying the boat. Yeah, steadying the boat so that because it's a program to arosia we get to those teething problems as you move on. To steady the boat so that we ensure are disadvantaged in any way. So we are doing everything possible. And now telling Aki, maybe 20, let's say 2024. If somebody told you scrap this CBC, scrap this program, but replace it naki, a program we can endeavor challenge keroro to clean so that we make it better, because we are still in the middle of it as we are moving. Transition in 2029 university 3 years graduate a program we want to from end to end, which now will be ready for review.
Waziri asema maelezo alikuwa bari gukurwa andagatie kama na nimetaba bange batagitwa understand model so ikiranire criteria kia serikali to kuri tutarai kingwa kwa na mangana yetu university nabo iyo merero gwa korete gukora strike ki wate abamangana yaba kuri merero bari kire.
Is this the reason as to why at university nyinga chia entertain to Amaden? And what have you done from where you sit koena kia chi university chia Madeni ko erari erinde chinyara ko bachi koran bono kawaide kiara chinyinge nchi aba cripple bako machiko yunga wana buna moyi kwa for example konya bate birengo sie kwere chinde gaiganga banafunzi babira abange telikonyara kwe manage. What have you done from where you sit koena kia Madeni ase chi university akaire inde chinyara kwegendereria kawaida?
So lelio ase chi university twa tubuate etubuate public universities yechire 43 kiratogo cha serikali yerete office ya togete university ange 21 ichiarenge almost insolvent. They were even supposed to close. I think in Madeni na Madeni ayachete because of many factors. One factor nelinga a system yare gotumeka yoko bachi bese chiarege cha capitation kurunga differentiated unit cost serikali yatagere ko achi university a total of 80% of the capitation, lakini mbali kuikia that 80% ebali koru. In fact the last year but one they gave 38% of the 80% that should have been given. So you can see already a gap ya kodrik ya beiroro. The other thing is this overemployment that I talked about. Universities were not employing in accordance ekere university eroro ya employ 70% of staff should be academic and 30% non-academic or support staff. In most of the universities, ebabwate 70% non-academic and 30% academic. Ire opposite. Again, to kende governance. There has been a problem of governance as okonyora, misuse of resources, misapplication of resources. Okonyora abantu bali gutumia ebe chipe chichigocha na chiri bakorosia as A in accordance to what. So it's a multiplicity of issues, of problems that led into this problem of debts. That is why the Presidential Working Party analyzed that problem. Realizing antoko endera na DUC university ngo chiko kachi chire with the new model is student centered. a new model here, student-centered job, Brian and Mkate, is this, that a student hakane chiwestiria kunyara according to their means. Yani ribaga togwakane rutwensi chiwestire ngaine. Omwana bo boda boda wakane chiwese maybe 20,000. Omwana we minister 20,000. Omwana job 20,000. Omwana wo mwalimu 20,000. Lakini mapato ito are different. So it's a model yenya nilio dhangu mwana we minister ta wakaneru 20,000 no mwana we boda boda neraka neru 20,000 na serikali. So tigo mwana we boda boda akaneru chibese nyingi mono na serikali e minister yakane chibese chia chinyingi serikali yakane chinkasari, so that we can bring some equity and some equality where people can carry their weight. So the student-centered model, the principle is inga omwana bw'omuntu omutaka otagete kwenda university ta misko ende university asinga chibese cha serikali chabere spread across chakanire paka abantu batabone twakane. Anyway, that is the principle. So whatever we do as a ministry, the first thing we ask omwana oyo serikali chibese ringe bwena tukumwakanira at the level ya need yaye egera ta misi ko ende school ta misi ko ende university. So we have worked on the means testing instrument to amanyiro go identify nga oyo no mwana we minister chibese abwena to wakanune nechi oyo no mwana bo CEO abwena to wakana chibese gite no mwana bo mure akana chibese gite, so that abantu bakana chibese chiri bakonyara egere mwana undi we statuka tali university asinginjo tabwatwe bese. That's one thing we have done. So
konyo tubata mangara ngete chibands band yentanga baka band 5 but ukarabona ngechi report chabere chikone kwa sama tukabanga bakatanga system H band way it's kind of mwanyetika mwatika dedero no mwachire system ende wate a scale of 1 to 100 we 100 oli umuntu umutakapi oyiga 1 no muntu obdo mwaziri bunaye omwana bo mwaziri bunaye mweshimwa make us understand ukarabona nga model ke gutumeka sama mangara ngete university
information is correct. What we have done, Brian, is to expand the variables CMTI. Egera to identify omonte need yaye. Omonte ni need yaye. This manage band inchiro. Band chiri inchiro. Lakini echire it's stretched so that kero mwana akane chibesiria bwana tako ko kunyara wakana so ta miss no you whether I get up to that point. Tukakora ibintu bibere Brian, tukakora analysis tukanyora the cost of programs the actual to analyze tonyore the cost of programs is actual and relevant. That's why recently we were able to reduce the cost of programs by between 15% and 40%. What it means is this, depending on the program, onye program yale cost 100,000, if we reduced it by 15%, one will cost 85,000. Onye yale cost 100,000, onye to reduce it by 40%, it will cost 60,000 to reduce it. So it is much more affordable for many people to be able to pay. But after that reduction, when I can talk about the MTI, to whatever, omwana bo mutaka nero wakane runesa gari chibes nyingamon. Omwana bo mutaka, I'll give you extremes so that you understand where we are. Omwana bo mutaka, ya wakane runesa gari 90% of the cost of the program, whichever program it is. 90% of onye program kere 100,000, mwana mutaka wakaneru 90%, which is 90,000. A family akanerenga 10,000. So your interest should not be only on the 10,000. Kere serikali wakanere the rest. Omwana bo monto ole kachiri. Serikali eko mwakanera 30%. The rest nero wakoraki wakada the 70%. So you see where we are going with this, that the person who needs the support most gets the highest support. Now, because of the different programs, and then call the two extremes, the cheapest program, the person who needs the highest support necessary will pay 5,800. The cheapest program in the universities, the person who needs the highest support is 10%, is 5,800. If we talk about the most expensive program, he will pay 75,000. Correct? So the system has worked in a way that now it is affordable. They have gone to school and they'll be able to pay. It will create sustainability as a university. University will get talking much more because abantu economies of scale. Abantu abange ngwaka na bale na dropouts bono tiri uchikobo una yakabei. In fact, as we speak, university gwere about I think about 5. Chego this week, just the Monday, in the Wednesday, pakalero. As we speak, abana ba were admitted in the universities first years. As of today, about get 29,000 and something, almost 30,000. And the report now telling that they are paying their fees smoothly. Meaning, even now with all that system that we are put in place, system is correct. It is working.
Waziri, on the same.
Yes.
Waziri utaraba mtu baada ya sakura ya kondeta bangana event ko effective system event ko effective as of 1st September. Does it mean our budget university boniga revise the fee structure about make as per get la ni nya go sene about make.
If you recall, my statement was to be ready on 15th of August, which was Friday last week, and the data was ready on that date. Nairobi University was the first one to open on Monday, meaning they only had 2 days over the weekend. That's why there was a bit of confusion on Monday in Nairobi University. Then they sat the whole of Monday, they put the figures in the portals because this thing, Brian, is individual. You can as a portal now, or don't look left or right. We have opened a portal in the help portal website as a appeal so that we solve your problem there. It is individual. It's not a common problem. So that's why university in fact, there has not been any appeal to the portal as we speak. Help. Number 2, help is releasing money to these universities, but it is not releasing money across the board, because university, for example, in October, we wait until by October, maybe 2-3 days, upkeep. So because they are opening between now, the last university will be opening in October. But what I want to emphasize, it is individual. You go to your portal, we check. And you know the way we did the MTI, we cross-checked. We cross-checked na KRA, we cross-checked na NTSA, we cross-checked na Nyensha, so that ekarango check danya ora job egari yako ya ne Mercedes. Lakini tata yetu waka na school fees kera ata yetabe abu mulini. So daboto ko bole ngakia kal Quran egari. So we are able to cross-check. Number 2, we check tora abana kayu mwana ari gosoba. Job chibesere ngari waka na uchase school way. Go check tole job abana mbale ngabwate as a university agosoba, so that you can understand the expenditures how is he spreading them, so that we can now tell what he is able to pay. It is very scientific. Lakini asere atokere epotone kale nero, you appeal there, we look at it. If we doubt, we have now teams changao togo na botogo na mpaka puo to chapaka sendo boli chief nini to check. engenjeri kwerende bakora Safaricom bakora kera bataito ko scholarship. They come and check whether you are actually entitled. Bakonyora wati nyumba ili na chikoro isatu bate
asikyo waziri ekero tokogendera mwanchi umurigereria na motegereria kero twenda tayo nae naboko tuma agwetera ase Facebook chaito digital gose gatembe TV gose chi app chitu chonsi pi chiredi chonsi asore TV chonsi asore na nabo tukonyanyora ertunyara correspond to the same umo waziri ndaito ongeresa buno mwaka mbegete dajite nsengo tolecha ekonda mangana na eta skukari ngaya go mwana ninje akobeka ero obeke ruchibes nate nchuru mwana wo mwasiri umwana onyarebere oego gatuka ngabana inu bechi waziri nganjire to kore brand to kora korwa abantu bechi waziri na bakoegwa funding ire igoro aba bande batabwati omwana otebangere funding ire toeresa koranje nekena mangana nyoye tarikena toeresa buno muntu uri gali ogotore cha gukore konda umwana wa naite tuchi university
mbia mono mkata serizwali na kinara goteberinga ki system yetu begete eto taito kumanyanga omwana bo mwaziri tabasa gutukanera kwa guchubesi chinyinge omwana bo mulimi eto kitali kwa guchubesi yale entitled to chiere na ki system yekuru ekorusia so that our main focus telinga omwana oli otakere konyole support ya serikali iri iguru onyorire noli bo muwaziri otakere konyola support ya serikali irense kyara isen ombose mama mwabona nyare wakana onyorire iri ayere nse egerebe yatigara iri iguru ababa bale banse babale mina abantu bande bakora banyora. That is what that system is supposed to do. Now mtuma yetenga isigotoko mwana bo muwaziri onyore chibes nyinge maybe muwaziri yoyo nyatari monto orata gotabanga njini nyare wakana tali gocho wa admitting umwana wayo no muwaziri na bagutiga igo ngati umwana yabere gurugwe lakini concentration yetu no mwana oli otanyare go wakana so na kito creativity appeal portal to tabanga onye kwaro rirenga chibes to akubikire kiri guru to kunyara wakana kyara no muntu bwa mapatanse ore iwo mwana uri akwirana ase portal iri ali akore the appeal. There is a form abe korro the reasons why, then we assess to assess it. Sometimes we review it, sometimes we don't. So sometimes they succeed, sometimes they don't succeed, where we find maybe it is not true. Lakini we do the very best to make sure mwana takumisi skuru asengenjo mapata abo the level of their need. I think, gentlemen, what I want you to understand is that the focus of the government is this person who can't afford to pay so that they are not disadvantaged. And we are doing everything possible to reduce the errors. Everything possible to make sure Antonio error, yani montole ubenete okonyo ta konye ke kere error ya wait. So we put that appeal and you can appeal 2-3 times until we get it right. That's what we are doing.
Waziri aseta gatigati yabalimi ukanyora
umurimi oyo mogoteba ngabwata abana chibarongo baga apply oyo magaso band 2 oyo dagaso band 5 pale abo peasant farmer anga kiyo muntu uno yakoeresa.
That was before new review that we did. Now we're talking those are the errors to alkurusi. Lakini wono tiangu eresa how it can happen. How it could happen is that abanaba abakogenda ko apply in the system. The application is the system. You know, you put in data. It is the information you put in that directs you to your level. So if one child goes and says in the portal, mwana yo matebe obuli mubwito buri cheka iko. No yo ndatebe obuli mubwito buri cheka ibere. Inechi salebale lakini information babekirine ni ngao depending inkiba babeka. So oyo wecheka ikomi because it is higher income ego chiko komeki income ya bebenga ngao no liyo cheka ibere ebenga. That's why those errors were happening. abande barakwenda cyber go feel the numbers are many diba omuntu liwe cyber akobeka the data y'umwana oyocha uchenchi litalio yoka so ilieta lya job rororo lakini data ero ne ya Migos so mwana osoka kabwat kare living ngao because of that error. So when they realize that karaba achite tukaanza we realize that mistake tukatuma abantu huduma centers totenga onye tukunyara tulikuwa understand kwa genda huduma center officers wetu mbarororo bakonya ku put in the data the information they'll ask you questions abande mbaro for example na nyore mwana kugenda maybe no musani oya banyo nga kibono ndabe kyo ngokora ntebe ngantu chisugulibere to bwate usendu ne ko teba ngantu to bwate ngombe and all that to make the wrong information for those things yareta the wrong data
Onkaro ase baria andegati barangaine ase program because abe konyareka no montage babwate gari babwate lakini akari ase poto angaine everything entongere muntu muno yo akorera guseri chikara ire runa yabekirwa ase ministry
bono uyu
umetanelio kwirane mwate bankwanda muri mwa counter check mwana oyo sokiri no muri mikoko makuru semofat bana ne jibarongo bae oyo sokiri ande ba sokiri the ministry nengo counter what counter check here.
No, what we do, what I said is that where we ekere keski avere kere matatizo.
Oh, yes.
Usumunta insist more, that's when we'll say, can we really go and check? Because information to buate, maybe 20 acres or something. Lakini you're insisting here chire na information to buate ko KTDA letalia odero nini rikoroki. So that's the time to tell you no again mo check sampling. It's not like we have to go and check kere again. In fact, even in 2024, when this funding model, what so many challenges. When we did the analysis, the errors were at 15%. Oh, yes. They were not that much. And when we did the analysis, only about 7 or 8% were corrected. This year, as I said, we have started admitting what challenges we are going to have in the next 1 month or 2 months is when now we'll know what it is and we'll resolve. And to last year, so that we reduce the errors this year. So we expanded the variables, we expanded the questions, and we expanded the counter checking and the cross checking institutions. We expanded them so that we can get as information as correct as possible or close as possible to, but we know there are still going to be errors. If those errors come, we'll solve them. But our intention is continue improving it, perfect. So
samagana by the way kwarara already chi reports nyinga sana especially kura sorango letora gusi of course chi region gen ba equally what challenges but already chi reports nyinga ngamba wanafunzi bali batara school bakaboni ga mimi mnako previous nini academic years batara yenda bado reports cha all over if the system na give the amangana alinge funding model era affordable gochasa we na go kere student centered. What we seeing claims nyinga bado cha wanafunzi reports chiko korunga wanafunzi abeka bado mbata getobo konye wanafunzi abeka bado mbara join school wanafunzi abeka government is doing nothing about it.
I can give you an example of I think it was something on Citizen 2 or 3 days ago of Omwanore University at Kisii or some things. I think he's in 4th year. The child who is in 4th year is not using the funding model yet. Is on DUC. Kera we are on the 3rd year. Now we are 3rd year. So any problem really arengo ya previously of that old system. Lakini wone kera back over interviewed, they are attaching it to the new funding model, which is wrong. That information is also incorrect. And that's why I've told you, and I can't stop saying it. I'm saying if there's a student, if there's anything that the government is going to do and is going to ensure it is done, onyo mwana karo uro mutaka eserekali bwenete konya, the government will do it. I want you to understand that the government will support that child, that student, to make sure nare is school. If there was an error, now kumubeka in the wrong position, was come the resources chiri higher, it will be corrected. That's, you know, serikali te mugetete venga wano te kuweke system yugo shekera abana abataka isiku. That's not the basis or the principle for the student centered model. Ikero kutu one. Mwana tayo no nyine karaba kwa highlight oiso ku analyze okonyoru mwana otebanga na etire inga nyete ko gende school goseri ruberia ne liachire lakini ndo chinga tiko chakonyara wakara wakana. They are not saying only in the wrong band, but even that 5,000 na wakonyoru mundu na wono I have people who have visited mbantebi mwana atakero wakana 11,000 in their band 11,000 lakini timbu at that 11,000. So that is something, because university education tell free. It's not free, you have to pay something. But the fact thing kwa iru band get kwa utanyare wakana goso no I know the band 1 year. I am in band 1, I'm supposed to work on 11,000 lakini tingonya what. That's a different story from saying that the government has put you in a place or in a position you go fund the education. And I will tell you something. I was in Pwani University the other day. Abana wa Pwani University bachire amo. But in this same pawaka na chivese and all that, whatever, ntuma ete university education tell free. Ntuma ete na wana baroro, our friends, no nyenchiri 5,000. Botanyaro koraki, botanyaro wakana. So they raised 500,000. A university can raise another 500,000. Waka create a bursary as students yabo. Aho tange eye etugo chokutumia okonya abana bali pa mintu batanyarego wakana no nyenchirichire. They are rightfully in the right place, but they can't pay. Then we pay for them. So when we went there, we said in September, we'll go there 9 to amend the 10 million. Egeraba to endowment fund ya yabo. Yani, what I'm trying to kukweleza keringa ki university education till free, buna secondary and primary education. That under the Article 53 as a constitution, it is only basic education here free. Lakini university education, you pay. So the government has come up with a program. Go cover loan, yeah. Go cover in scholarship. Cover loan ya 30%. The scholarship ya ego differ answer 60%, 50%, 40%, and 30%, depending on your kayore. So that we support you. So already as a kind of way no free, na to create a fund to support you and study in the university. But even then, even when you are in the right place, transport. I've received calls in Muranga University, they don't have transport. We are not even talking about fees. They don't have transport. So it is there. Those challenges are there. But that does not mean to remove the responsibility. That responsibility will remain. But we are making it possible. That's why we reduced the cost of programs, so that we can make this thing a little bit affordable, so that as much as we can.
Kidogo taswishi hapa wanafunzi wake MTC, which system are they using? Is the same system, or is the same funding model about make ama namna gani?
The challenge abana wake MTC, you know, they fall under the Ministry of Health, and therefore they are not directly under the Ministry of Education. But as a government, we have ensured dinga chibe esenchiro rochikuru Ministry of Health chitomu help, so that they be funded from help. Care help never the capacity to run the system. So that is what is happening. So we get resources from help depending, maybe $1 billion depending on how much it is. It's the same system. Then the ministry, the help funds them or uses their system. So they are already in that system. We also want to move it to TTCs, so that they have the support they need from government.
There was a directive ya ruta wisi yao igoro ya abarimu abanene be skuru cie secondary koena na certificates go ciase aboro kigwa bali andagati abayibuli basinyure gwakana kibesa bari tenire ci certificate yao for some time. some have complied abarimu abanene bandi b'ekikuru chine mbali gokoramo. What is the ministry doing koenekia oyo taliko kuigwa rendo ogochikoko ng'aki atariko koirurwa getambukero kende gionsi?
The directive through the current ministry age certificate is based on law. Ere anchored as lichiko. Under the Kenya National Examinations Act 2013, Section 10, I think Section 10 subsection 1B, it says you should not retain a certificate yo mwana. That's the basis of that circular. Abange wa complied. Natua irweta abange wa complied. Abande kero kuba boli batara comply wa ngachi certificate chira ige chinde cha 1975. Banyane mbanya gocha okoraki mbanya gocha kuya. Akini onyo mwalimu karoro utararwe a certificate ya abana uritaineti omwana ese korete complaint nga certificate ya ne retained no mwalimu because after that directive ebagocha kugenda courtini. It's not even a disciplinary action because you are violating the law, so we will just take them to court and charge them. That's what is going to happen. But I have not received so far any student telling me I receive a. But also we have asked our county directors of education to ensure from each school banyol returns the reasons for retention so that we can move forward from there. So that was substantially complied, and I think it is already working because admitted, they got their result slips immediately and things like that.
Mwiburi oyomo okororigeretie ta television garikire message out my daughter has been denied fully clearance from Moi Girls Nairobi as they demand 30k before they clear her. Igo ngai yako ira malalamisha
To the CDE, to the county director of education, and it will be acted on based depending on what is the arrangement, because our anyole Moi Moi Girls, you can't know what clearance they are talking about, but if it is the certificate, you can't hold the certificate because of the school fees. Number two, tobuati as principals, mbabwati any agreement no mwana wakana school fees. Agreement here between the school and the parent. So certificate old ti bwati litali mwana ere certificate muntu mungao. That's why we'll easily take them to court and charge them, because you are holding a certificate on an agreement mo watano muntu mungao.
the opportunity yo kwagenda linche the innocent dying we akana school fees.
That is why that law was passed, so that now you should just enter into an agreement ne parent thing kya ucha
Pia mono ekero to goikabo nekero tanrate maojiana ya masemo sinkwana ya masemo na mwaziri bichisemime yensi yetu ya Kenya Muska Julius Migos Ogamba na nimenda tuko yategera korwa chiredi chao chonsi na se TV chao chonsi chiko kwa nasomo no bwe Kisii kerikaria rero gotoko ya bwata onsi korengana buna otegete to yakwane nagakora totebe urike wetera sibitandao yaito ye TV osire diyo aso otegerera tukorwa sosonche tukorwa enda somotimo komoke tokoirana kwenda tukorwa toskana na idake.
Karibu nande kurwaso mutimoko egara tunyara kugendera na mahojiano ya masemo usinkwane iga mwaziri tugwechisemi na twagotebia na bokanda kurika SMS ase namba iyo ye TV yao usirede yao brand sagine tenda sensemende
yakigima ho manchu bole tero na sentune ge bro mito kata tikere wa tabana go yo mito job ba ni go tore live ya masemo go tra Kisii TV na go tra sa TV go tra Getembe TV na go chire radio yonsi chikora wanagesa FM Kisii FM na go radio vuna ni wanyero chega igana kila mtu wika oyo minto kila mtu olega iga tunashukuru sana chinga kechiga tokogenda masemo wika somo waziri amangana manga yana kiwe sana wikirabo ni gachi principal chinyinge cyarire sana mangana lingete capitation cyasi chisukuru twararira bange mbara no last time wika bakagenda bakabunga mapema sana timanye ti andake go ikara bone gabone sinanste waziri chi principal chiga after chia twaro mo chando yonsi pia after chia rire ndwaro no nyuma waziri bole teneta mangana ye ni boge ga sense yake mushimwa John Badi na bega nayo monyene kidogo mwarorekana gutuma nase chingwa na mangana lingete funding go just amangana lingete capitation go just school amangana lingete ine mwanafunzi amenda konyara 22,000 usabanda konyara 16,000 mwaziri ntutake sana tumanyia yo na bego tumanyina ki ine amadini yaga ama korale kuro ale kuro magaga gaiga what happens to just school chiga karibu wase.
Thank you, Brian. First, the bena umwaziri we Chibesa Treasury John Badi and myself as Minister for Education nkwana chito njikola dhiki ncheta ini oseri tukeli nkwana chito ncha itanete. What John Badi was saying is this: a policy ya serikali primary school obakwayo capitation ya 1,540, junior school obakonyora 15,000 and something, senior school which is secondary obakonyora 22,244, something like that. That is the government policy. That is the rate of capitation ewenete cover released. Lakini ya saying incho of 100% transition ya abana which is school no na waba wa pesa chibe sometimes chigo tomu nchirigo ika chiri 22,240. That is what John Badi was saying. Tale go teba ngo reduce chibese ku 22,000 which is 16. Iga tebe tenga so far chibese to release iri chiri 16,900. Talinga to reduce linga to change the policy. The policy still remains senior school 22,240, and that's what we work every day. Toko work kerali toko towards inga tochiki no nyobo kongwe chibese bakoletheki wororo.
Now what happens as you get more 16,000? What happens to just change
so what happens like now capitation a year 22,000 na 15,000 na 1,500 when at the school January term 1 50%, term 2 30%, term 3 20%. Bauna depending on na chibese nga kichikoruewo kwanyora maybe nchiriko ikachibese chichita kere ko karaki kuruewa ekara chitaigeti diden diatoka liatigaira ase school eine conversation bono togo cha gutwara tumenya ngaki ngati togo cha okara mwana ya madeni ya aitire ali amakoro lakini bune nago tebi ekara nanyoriri muchando ore ase ministry uzale ase school. I try to solve the problem elimbu atelitanga litangani ne problem ya no noiga no tema ko suguma ngachi school at least chinyore the amount iliere as a policy ya 22,000 ya 15,000 ya 1,500 inero mchano no monene ngoti no pono higa ngenda to suguma chuma ine na lenga treasury twakore to mukutano kapate tusugume chibese chitoro sinjikoreki nchike 22,000 on next week ngo release to the capitation ya third term toro leire ngachi karaki chigo cha we request for it toro leire ngachi gocha. But remember a system ya serikali once from budgeting parliament to requisition yagenda parliament ya etia yagenda treasury ya it like that so chibese ono chikoro gunchiri chitiri kuru ase budget kuru parliament paka which treasury uchagali So bono ige twende tugusukuma ekara tugucha twabaire namba ya abana twae budget iri ito ya 22,000. That's my target igina kingendo ngenda gusukuma because ekara utari kuba ebese iri bwenete ekara turi konyoreria 22 ngo short chitara abana konyora tura abana bono mbali konyora maybe chibese chitakire konyora chisukuru chanyora chance kutwara boko. So we are aware of the problem and we are doing something about it. Lakini yero muchando all national all based on the economy ngabese nchikora thiki nchisa ini kere basket ile chibese tubwate kiri muntu nata chibese kurwe bakurigera priority nga irenga toko ach county irenga toko aba egere kere system yakore egendre. That is why we have had these problems, but with the progressively unatokonya kusukume economy expand a problem ingujire koba solved. That's what we are pushing towards.
Rugabo abange biko batwara even rumors tingo nganchire nchiro rumors a little bit batanga kiraboni gaba nafunzi pale batari asama ngararengete Kenya education management information system ya Kenya na igo na geko kwiranda ke ni ministry etari konyara go account for all students. Is it karukolire ke ganke be anda ke getango ko garanga chibas chake o cheskuru?
Partly there's partly it is true, but it is not the major thing. Ekera mukuira abana muku apply abana which treasure you use the number as NEMIS. NEMIS is what we have been using previously, lakini yatwalire ngo twalira matatizo sometimes yakonyora abana maybe abana balenge maybe 300 bono yoro kibale go 280 or sometimes if it shows abana bali abake it can also show abana baligo. You see, so it's not the exact issue. A challenge here a budget they say, but a problem we have now commissioned the new system Kenya Education Information Management System KEMIS. KEMIS it is much more robust. I don't know how to put it. Robust so that all the information ere school ya abana yechibese ya procurement ya kirigento in that system ekere utagete ko manyanga ingenda that education sector, that system will tell you, and to create in a way that it counterchecks itself, so that onye January tuwata abana totebe 12 million, in May we cannot have 11 million or we cannot have 13 million. So it should be able to counter check and tell you a problem for us to correct it at that point. If we had 12 million children, you can't publish it without 9 million was every 13 million. So it is going to link to each other so that we make decisions based on information, based on evidence, based on data. Onye kubwata wana 12 million, to procure endagera ya wana 13 million, for example. We will know a problem nero. So we will link this system across so that we are able to see everything that is happening when it is happening, and it will help us. Nonyeneji basari. Tabako nyoru mwana onyorere basari kuru CDF, onyorere basari kuru county, onyorere basari kuru isiko. Then there is nowhere you can't tell because there is no system. A system is going to pick up the umano onyorere basari from these particular places. Because school anyorere these resources, so the next school benefit. Was a promotion yeyo mwalimu onyorere promotion isato goze inye goze isano mwalimu uri ondatara kora ataranyora. So a system is going to work for us to make sure that we verify across the board, and it is a robust system. It's a bit wide, it's a bit deep, it is a system toroche erato konya as a sector will clean up.
Waziri mbiamona soko ndagotwerego na muno manyete talintu okwerera no murigereria uri skali urabo mongi no mogotu urabe ebigori byonsi na sengenche yundi naruraga ni address issue ya mangana ekerotora samangana ye chibesa chimanyekane na remedial ninki kibwento okorekana gose inchira serichi kuna ndonye chiraro muiguri na bwenete gochiakana gose ninki abwento okora
chibese chikoro ku remedial chibese chikoro ku some levies chikoba chikoba parents bakanu, they are not there in the law. Ministry tebwati provisioning awiko akane chiwestere medial osechi levigete osegete nkeyo again to kero nkeri for example aba ibuli baratebe ngabatete kwagache dom yabo osimbatete kugure bus yabo bakora mukutano aba ibuli bonspi in the annual general meeting baetinga intuna aba ibuli ntutegete kugurira abana baiteba bus kero mwibuli natakere wakana shilingi 500 bamenya ku request kucha se ministry nga ntutagete ko gore bus and twaitiri as a resolution of the AGM intutweka abanyene ntutagete ko gore bus toeri baga toruchibesichi shilingi 500 o shilingi 1000 gochie skuru ko gore bus. It is specific, it has to be done now. Our parents won't spin annual general meeting the minutes are done, they are signed. County director of education would be there. Bamanya ku request kuru ministry nga toe idhini, toe consent in a legal. Any other thing that anybody is doing, even into be bitai as a ministry be allowed.
Waziri on the same. Eye twate tukogore bus abana batore 1,400. Why should that bus be bought for 10 years? Kira abana bagocha mwako gocha aruchiruchirisa to chaitu. Mwako lyogocha chirusa to chaitu chie bus. Mwako gocha for 10 years. Because 5 years na be kai gogo exaggerating.
Rebono mukato meta abu goikogende specific case.
Yes.
Ekera to tinkumanya ngakibali igete in the minutes.
Yes.
The minutes will be clear. E bus to kugora isuzu ekubuguri abantu amizini igere chibese chinganiga insurance yaye ngani nganiga nechibese chikara divided across echiganiga gose abana gose ntokuchikora we are buying it mwaka oyom gose to contribute for 2 years gose for 3 years, it depends. So it has to be specific. We go to a specific case to manya we address correctly. But what I'm saying is that where they have agreed to do something specific, then they are what they are supposed to pay, then they request for the approval. Sometimes we don't give the approval, sometimes we give the approval, depending on to analyze the situation. For example, nabora nyole no nyaba etiti turoja balimba abana balinge parents balinge say 1,000 no nyaba etiti onyora aba parents banjira nde balinge 501 you know. So it is almost 50-50. Abakoranga igente kenkeli universal. Yeah, kili universal. So our 500 ngo chukumiguba nabakoranga no will not ikentero chukwa kwa allow. Lakini asabara 100% was 98% nabakoya abange nabate to correct. So it depends each case. Kiligiriwa with the fact yokorede kibwate.
Wagenda CGMs nonyora abandi baetiri ogocha kanyanga nayo tagete kurutamba na sky ganga.
Correct. You are very right. Yes. Parents must, you know, parents must be involved in the activities just school.
Yes.
In fact, under CBE, the involvement of parents telling a wikanga abakolekere into mwana uli akora ebwena takunga parent manyenge nki mwana akora lero ya nki asoma lero gose nki akora telling you have to do everything. Is you ask nki lero mo egere kwa involved as activities cha bana ndumuna birukwa kubuli bya community service. We are training a whole person. Amanyenge community na kolete lero is a community service a subject bagenda ali dababusa bagenda nyakitali barra what is happening bagenda say if there is a dairy farm across bagenda barra inkekolete is an activity to introduce you mwana go to the normal life ili go correct go to interact with the character as okay. So this is why CBE is comprehensive. We are calling it a whole person, a 360 person.
Bado your colleague CS Mheshimiwa Mbadi equally na suggest na kwa bunge bandi baga suggest not that we are seeing all these problems ngeko tuara consolidated fund ya banafunzi bonsi ewe korwa chinse mechiga changa fu yoro yo bisi women rep rwa si county basari se yora se county mo governor rwa sa mangana lingete kitikalia CDF so that nalimo as a ministry ndo tuara chi kapi chikai and is it possible such a thing happen na namna gani?
You know, Brian, anything is possible. In Ekaramu Ambirimu public participation is possible. But let me explain something. Chipesa chikogenda county. Ichikogenda under the constitution. Ichire provided fund the constitution mugawolia nga chipesa chichachire county. Chipesa chichachire county national government tebwat capacity yokubatenga kibakora na kibagutumia because ne chiabo. Chipesa chirase CDF na chiro chichire constitutional. So what I'm saying is a conversation can be had. Ekara ya beira hada abantu bamenya wanchira nanga itutakire bono kubika chipesa chonsi yamo chibe from one kiti air education yabe free or education abantu bonse banya access to it and tumanyire ngachire, but it is not to co-impose on counties nga chipesa ichuko se ko bunge nga chipesa just CDF. It is a conversation that needs to be had. I get to solve the problem that, and it is a good conversation ya answer kwenye ukwana tole, and we're in the middle of amending the law. So if that works, it's a good thing. For example, this year the control of budget atebya county governments akabatenga teli jukumu yabo kwa abana chibasari akabatebi you cannot do that. Ega bidding between a ministry of education na county governments, we entered into a framework agreement yokoba authority kwa kanira abana chibasari on behalf of the ministry, yani ikababu na atuwa bachinguru bakana. So we signed that framework agreement, ikawa enable kurusi pesa chibasari wakanira abana because the children are there, they needed to be supported. So we did it. In other words, when a conversation is had, nabotonyora inchira yoko get the correct law in place to ensure achieve a chance speech, but you cannot impose. I'll tell you what happened. Last year, Karabana bakora matemu, realizing that the future is that amatemu ya KCSE, ekero mwana achite, maybe the child has lost a parent. Okole subject, eliri tukoliri kerabu ata osarwarete or something, ogwe subject yam. Obwate chibi chisiju onyore di gose I. Ya mungusa ko chance oira nansi takonyara ko no the university because of that one subject, which I would sing in Chiobo Kumaka Abuat. Ngatevatigato Gaiti Sakula, Ngatevatigato the mid-year exam. So that you know with the subject here, I call a mid-year exam in June, July. I get a September one hour Paraso University, Asoe, Navorobu. Tacha could repeat you Makomugi, Umugi Macha with the other side. Ndakora. A spirited Kenya nyakanda koti akaruna akuru akaja koti gagusi akaiwe court order igatinigente. We are fighting it in court because you realizing your life are affected because of one subject and because of not of their own making, and it can be corrected, and there's nothing wrong with the problem. So we cannot do things because we'll be stopped. So we are fighting around it. I'm about to public participation, but Humanity Act allows us to give exams and give even repeat exams and supplementary exams and all that, which is our responsibility. So we are fighting that to see prejudice. I did not see any school. So those are some of the things to course correct. Is there a way to correct again? For example, Brian, you know, sometimes back, karumano mwesikale kuiwatarana kali school. Pala tanga tukwirna school linda maisha ya correct ayrakap. And yet they can come back and do the exams and move on with their life. That changed. So it is possible to change even the change the benefit as opposed to being rigid. There is nobody who is benefiting from that rigidity. So those are the things that we are talking about, and that conversation is good. Joint school funds, whether they are bursaries, presidential, private sector, and that also will work through a system when we are chemists, because we are going to have an entry of everything that is being done under the sector into that space. so bukai ngarwerete ngo ko feed abana bale ngako feed aralia kwale wapi, you know, all that information needs to be known. So it up to now temenyekanete, for example, ng'abantu bale ngabale Kenya bako abana chindaga okwenda uzinoma be kwanyoro muntu narore section gitu korageria abantu kwenda kwale kwanyoro naroro serikali nkoragerira aba 2.6 bali in asal areas, lakini wono combined tubwati the data. So we are trying to ensure nga in the Ministry of Education tutware clean data tumenye tekerege nteger to make a decision you're informed na that data. For example again, Brian, teachers, you know karo kubuliti esi abalimu barenga batararikwa abakoenda ase data yabo bata ku 1963 twalikira abalimu 900,000 ambarenga tobe tuligete bale 450,000 barusanani bata abalimu batarikiri bale maybe 300,000 or 400,000, lakini konyororo monto ubwate TS number, lakini ucheta katika ubwalimu akaenda gukora lo lakini tachite ko delete TS number ya yai. So we need to get all this information egera tumenya for sure abalimu barenga bakaretheki batararikwa egera to make decision nga kitogo dinabro to akora analysis. For example, to anyore in Kenya etutageta abalimu 35,000 every year, so that nonekara to tanga to admit bona abana guchigokora education, to admit abana very close to 35,000 ndo kubeka education to beka abana 120,000, then we need only 35,000 abandi bakwamase bakora bagochi. We need to be able to make policy decisions chire based on data and chire based on information. So this is what we want to do with chemists, so that going forward we look at our sector. Onye tutageta abana banta bange ba agriculture, we ensure nga to let course cha agriculture to admit abana bangu choro, and if they do not want to join, we can even ensure that we are giving them some motivation, you know, so that they can be able to take that course. Onye na doctors tutakire abangi, we should have now a system where we tilt the balance and we ensure we are admitting more of them, and to make the facilities in the universities doctors but talking about the right number, so that we don't produce graduates whose jobs we do not have or do not need, or the market doesn't need. So we need to study what the market needs and then develop programs across the board that produces the people to fit into those which are say market theory. So that it's not just what mwana gotoga ata tuchokole course get, lakini course yandeta yako kuchakumere to kokora otango mete na call the course bono nonde gaiga. So we have to do some affirmative action for the courses that we know we need, either in agriculture, in veterinary, in tourism, in medicine, yeah. And tokora analysis abana balenga baitu baresiko from which sector, from which area, so that we can also control admissions of the new ones who are coming there, because there's no point to have 300,000-400,000 graduates in one sector itabu at capacity kwa absorb abana wekara ba graduated. That is why information and data is so important. So
now that chemistry ngulire data cha wanafunzi na everybody, how about we krabon ngando na report yo auditor general last year chiskuru njoro charinge ghost schools, we got an non-existent schools ikabeka ruchibesa chikatuma ruchibesa and everything. Now that we have chemistry ya wanafunzi, does it mean ndugu atiaro ngendo koro kidata ya chiskuru, how does it ekuikabaka serikali atmochibesa cha ghost schools?
If you recall, that audit was a 4-year audit, but I think it is from the last 4 years. And when they did it, when they did it, so that they can respond to some of those issues. You see, I said this: if a school does not exist, lakini yatumiru chibese, that is a criminal offense. Then it is so easy to determine whether that school exists and who is responsible for that money. School ito gutuma chibesa guchie bank account ye school. Money is sent to a bank account ye school. Hello. Now, onye bank account kere kesi bibosonga. Ili tandiroro, maybe Yambera primary school, maybe it doesn't exist. Hello. Lakini chibesa chiru ikachiru suguno monto, a human being. Kuikaga ndaso kwirende kuikasa ini, chi document ya kuikachiru reflect ya se computer ye signatories. Aende karago aende wing. Ibi chayo no yakalaki. So the day okorusia, onyan Tuesday, buna lero, chitagirigete na bokora kanaga Migos Ogamba naga de rose. So ngateba, we need this list. We send it to the DCI. They start from there. They don't even need to start from the schools, because once you arrest that person, motebia kuirpa skuru asakartek asir. Onye ta ukoro kya skuru asir, chikot no chikoletek no chiregai. So it is easy to resolve that problem. You see, in any system, tokumis bakora ngo tuka bakoreti baro. Lakini wikutu alenjera yoko babuate kero bokongu bakoreti wabe. So it is doable, and that is exactly what I said in Parliament. Kateba, once we have that list, we'll send it to DCI to batebi investigate, because in tuntubu at capacity yoko investigate those schools. It's a criminal offense ever investigated with the institutions still charged with the investigation, and we'll give the information from our end. Because when you talk to me, the also, there are footprints. So now and all that. Again, we work from there, and then we connect. Then you'll get what the cartel is.
For the case of Bomet High School, ya Tenuek. What is the report about that?
That is a simple one. That one is straightforward. When President Yalenk Bomet, aba apakaboling at Ntubu at the Bomet High School, to Agachile School or Bomet High School. Tenuek High School, Ekaba appointed a mentor, Bomet High School, ever in charge of starting that school. That's how the money was sent to Tenuek for the construction and the starting of that school. So it's not a ghost school. The money was not sent to a ghost school. It was sent to start the school. And the minutes are there, everything is there, so they will start working on that. Maybe after a year, they can go back and ask you to make the 50 million. School. So it's not, it was something that was misunderstood. Yeah, but otherwise, that is normal, it is done. For example, even under TVETs, Kisii National Polytechnic, nere mentor ya Kiamwasi. So when Kiamwasi was being started, Kisii National Polytechnic for them to pay, because it does not exist. So it doesn't have tebuati board, tebuati signatories, tebuati. So what a mentor institution, the construction of the new school. That's exactly what's happening. It's allowed.
Biamono waziri Julius Migos Ogamba gotorenge nchengabu iyo karo togendrete go soa sensemo ya gatote kondo chera tigere chidaka ngesa tuiga chirage chinsa isa tuchebona mahoro bako ena kiabono niko turangye chidaka 50 gokoro murobiro yo twabere tokorigeria mangana mange aye ministry mangana ye education asotenrete bona sensemo eye ndagete tuirane nkanga kitokwirana ditangani nimanyete chimessage chinyinge cyari kiru ase bitaseni abantu bagendrete koligereria abantu bagendrete ko tegerera nimanyete representatives we station ye chimbare ga abande mbandetera chimessage igerinde to chisoma sobwango ande to gachinga kichi waziri ndaga ni otwale karamke aturaga ni twasoma ni 10 iga kwaro wachaka go chi address wango yemasemo kandi matine chinyinge kuba gotegererwa sichi station wetani inyeche television nabo igo chinde inyeche radio ne chikwesho nabo chirabe chinyinge kurende waziri ekero to gochigoso sense maybe bitoraso in the next few minutes bono tuira neka muligeri natake kumanya waziri Julius Migos Ogamba mugusi ndirende mugusi okorwa mirobiri kia bwate gochaso mugusi matabona bakebe ngalinde na internet to bwate koruga igoro gongoro chi polytechnic chiabo Kisii National Polytechnic kuna gwa kwanire nchiraro ro mirobiri kyo bwate yo ko improve chi university kiabonyoro ya chire mirobiri kiraro ro konye konye chakia so bwango mono and so many other things chiskuru ntoro chaba waziri na docket education okoro is one of the dockets chaba kusiba sasa nini nero kiagara ya tora waziri abange sana since independence we kabono including the immediate former Professor Ngeri nalenga ase wizara iyo akonyo nkana alenga roro bono gusipoka abantu bagojajinga ha yekero waziri migosi alengo skuru gete ga improve skuru gete ga so status gete national polytechnic ga kiwango gete biro biri kyo bwate na ende biro biko arakore for the last about 2-3 or rather one year kwa bere abisi.
Thank you. The first and foremost means education. Policy to kubeka at the ministry level chigo affect the whole country bado ngo affect chireguzi usi. For example, ekarana to reduce school fees here university by 15% and 40%, aba kuzina baromungo benefit wale in that is not something keko koru kando na iga kile ko na baromungo benefit wale ko benefit wale chise muchons amangana ya totebe construction of the classrooms nago tebi they were not just done in the national government, it was also done in Kisii. For example, and I want to give you some statistics even the Biagusiga specifically. Ekaratu agacha ebirasi 23,000 junior school classrooms. Aigagusiye to agacha 827 of them. 567 in Kisii and 254 in Nyamira. That is almost 1 billion. Out of the 11 billion that we were spending in the whole country, 1 billion was spent in Kisii. Number 2, since independence, Kisii County has had only 2 national schools. Kisii School and Nyabururu. This year, I was able to upgrade, or we were able to upgrade 6 other schools in Kisii County. Cardinal Tunga High School, Rio Kindo Boys, Nduru Boys, Kireli Girls, Itiwo Girls, na Ichuni Girls. How many? 6. But since independence, we only had 2. Now in Kisii County, we have 8. That is something na bumonda thanga kere karokubeke school yaba national chi benefit ni nyinge chokora chiwocha wanango bari kurusiko. You are given more expanded income, you are given more infrastructure, you are given more teachers. There's an advantage. So it is a good thing that we've managed to do that. In Nyamira County, previously from 1963, we also had only 2 national schools. That's Nyambalia Boys and Soronga Girls. This year, we added 3. That's Kebirigo Boys, Nyansiongo Boys, and Kebabe Girls, making them 5. So now we have 5 plus 8. Yeah, from 4, we have now 13. That is a very serious improvement milestone for this particular place called Kisii. Out of the 1,600 labs that we are going to construct, 47 are going to be in this region, 23 in Kisii and 14 in Nyamira. Remember, it is 1,600 out of the 47 counties, but we are doing 47. In Kisii, you can do the math. So that is something that we are also working on. Asiti laboratory chiri 1,600 ulikorbeka, 47 ni tocha ukorika korugusi, 23 koru Kisii na ichinde balance ikoru Nyamira. Na chiri chinde nateba chiskuru to upgrade ligo chi national schools. Ebina biro twakoreki twakorire. Akana so agali chi university. Ona nyora ntubu ati vice chancellors. Na manyire na asugumire twalikire babere kumenta wona na bali babere konya bakoretheki baro baikire bana. Ningendete gupima ndoka chi DVC na beka bekire. Igara aje council na bekira abantu abangisana as council chi university in that sector. Ikegere kero kubabeka nabo wakire mundesimi kwa motebi nkonyaraba abana ali gora help nere ko distribute chi kwerende akora kabe kum mugusi ko kwerende
Azika waziri kwa
ando
hiyo
mede
kusiko bora wazima kana kuma nyekina kibako kujaji
so peak wala ndako bodo kuziwa kakara. But anyway, we have tried to make sure abantu betu bakoreki babikirwa se position baranyare gokonya abantu ekera unabona abana abaji challenges chikoba nere ngotobinga abana abu barigereri ngakyogo okubasoti ubarigereri ngakyakoba akobabanga the higher education loans board to abikiro mondo mintoro and many other places chisiyo tobwate twabikira abantu chi board nabikire abagusi batari bake egera inja visi bande banyore twende tukurwanira chairman kugenda ilinda abantu bitu banyore kera utaspread ati aho nyanga kero munda Nairobi nyara umuntu no ko my bus fare airane gocho. But what is important ira tukaanza the early this year ngarangiria mugobandi gete Nairobi tukaikaransa tukagamba tukubora ninga gusinga kitokora to chiamo egerekera to 2032 mumbo atabi ekera inarigeri ngatebaiga gusiriranchira ekeriga system ya chenjiri umuntu ndo mwachire mwanya orakiria akorere kiebiru tugateba toro strategic plan ya 7 years until 2032 toyebeke University of Kisii togoteba nga onye ne education nebi onye ne chipara nechi egere umuntu naruo obisi onye goteto ya say depository Professor Gechino will tell you na to abeka kawe head of that egere to mwarigererio ronga kaitwa korete kaitwa tigirete why
na maro yo mugusi ya kiama
tari ya kiama this is a development purely development yo mugusi and I'll tell you why ekara sondu murio yale kwa gachu mbata kiri kwa gache dam magwawa nero yatakiri ko na mache kuchisondu miru sondu miru ka gache gakorwa development no ere gali magwawa kebwa bono muntu yo maitenga magwawa njalenga se program ya sondu miru lakini onye ndito bate depository ya stoko enda twarigereri na twarikwenda otonyore no ekorete ki no ere mekubo iga gosen nakyakoru mekubo ere machoke. There's a big water project there ya wena to koruna Hungary for the last 13 years katoke kwa mete somewhere una twachete iga nkagama no mumroli wa mache tukaire gente cabinet gaitiwa machabro na chakoreki na chagachu lakini ge kiebetu kera for a long time munte yo manyitinga mekubo program neroro ebwene thoko so nkarangeria abantu abetu kera to somete tokateba tuiso konyore ase library ita sto kubeke bintu ibi so that Migos naruo yacha tokangana ngosukuma renge skuru gete enyore bese yarikwa samwe kegere gekwebwe kera changes chakore chabeire because of that tukanjana nanga tungocha tole amo leaders tochamo n'abantu baitu bonse egere tokore development na kiya tuteke kera tukara tuamite tukaenda State House tare 15 on challenge yes on 15th twechite State House kerumonto abantu boda former leaders current leaders championsp aba MCA you know tukatoka tole gari tukateba ngosaba tole bintu ge tukasabe bintu biri twari konyara ko bya bwango tukasabe university ya Nyamira university ya Nyamira yabete touted ku 2016 nali abwena tukwa gacho 2016 igakwama 2023 kara yakwa murwa ikaba allocated chibesa 500 million ya gacho lakini itarachiko kwena chi problem ikabanga ngaya korake
yekwa gacho
yekoba mwako yoka financial year kara ya chibesa jire jigozire rancha ekara na chole tutare tisa I was sworn in on 9th of August tare 12 tukachane president Kyabonyaru kara tuacha tware gocho koloncha mangana ya kuwait project issue ya Nyamira ndikateba tige university ya gari na challenges chindi chikakora acha twacha kwekora bonekera tware ngari tugasabanga bado nduthe university ya Nyamira agateba nkuba ature so atutumete tu agatwa muru na kitwacherete aramisi twarenge koboroki site na kobai site ngabono so in the next maybe 1 month contract dango soere yanze kwagaje ini achievement ya moto akore imagine ko 2016 ekwamete ne project ya Nyamira University ke 3.9 billion yani no kwagacha woka abantu bacho kore gasigari abantu bakoreta match bagina baragiria abantu bakora gari chi materials ni no chikugurukuru gari so we will do it is going to be done tugasaba airstrip tugateba ntu kwagacha airstrip ne airstrip yasiegetwe already commissioned because there is somebody was abantu bari batagete nge airport yende kuchukwa gachuse asigita ngao Nyamira or something like that karaba enda kucheck ya Nyamira wakanyana ne tente can't work atanga kuira tuli nyangusu kuira tuli iga musana musana noga ugaasa bono sunikateyo sirongateyo bono tokaiya tukataba tuira miliyeye tunyako tumia tukurigie bibinde onyege gocho gotoka
motomendo
inga bune gente tunya kwana nga 2027 ndu tolanga karato ikero atundezo nkera ati na wanyo no tokorete hotuli lakini ikitubwata bono tugutuguta karato yesuneka togendera gatutebi agatume chairman gocha nakere twole ngoro igoroma be chairman ya KE bono bairane bacho batume technical team bayigole yanse korosi housing affordable housing Kisii movement ndubwatu maremo in fact we are the number 1 candidate ya affordable housing chinyomba toire chiri chinke to because buri mumbu akorete iri toire nyanchuga ari chiri chinyomba go 500 chi count chinde okonyora baire 5000 4000 they needed the land one of the pieces of land itakiri ne prison yebale town igani to teba tigatu move prison nangu nyanturago chero buri mumbu ro buri 600 acres tubaye 50 acres igai go buri 14 acres tubaye 50 acres igali twagache housing igai getown na prison ya gachora nyanturago two things will happen ti project jiren ibere tukoyacha housing igai into konyora a benefit na ari rugora tukuira twagache prison ire modern twagache paka chipara chikogendo twagache school ya abantu ba staff bana ba twagache clinic so we develop that place again is an extension is a new project we'll benefit from it that's what we were doing again yesterday twalenge no mugavana Tibarat as a unit because CBE to what 3 pathways one of them nearly creative sports creative arts and sports which requires sports facilities so tugasaba twagacherwe a stadium ire modern iga bosongo as a SK tuganjerana will get $1 billion or $1.5 billion twagacherwe a stadium iri gari alafu ASK ebe moved gochi yatieko as a 13 acres chikorete chire to SK or it's much larger to body move over 3-4 acres aliba chotwara 13 so again that's development here and development there so out of that meeting tugasabane pale kuru kaplong ego trimboka to ko dual carriageway ya then to try ko dual carriageway because it might take time na to ko expand gerega le to na chira ini very to gendere to kunya to sort that thing he agreed one technical teams go jogo tombale bakorega see so because we went as a united Kisii we were able to get those things so that the karato tabanga aki etora se serikali is not for nothing that we are there there is something that we are seeing because this year 2025-26 the budget is 4 trillion 4.2 next year is another 4 trillion recurrent year was in 60% and all we have about wasn't 2 trillion nga move konyara those 2 trillion because ntobwate a program 2027 ne serikali itwata githinga toyo. Where are we looking for this government? Bora tu aliko ligitonyore tokonyore benefit abantu bari ikwe ya chipara chirosigwe buna wano constituencies. A lot of roads are being done. I can read for you. I have a program here. Many roads have been lined up. Chiko cha kwagacho chimak chibridge ngwa chirune interchange ile daraja mbili, it is being done so that we can benefit. We ekarto yani toko tabia abantu betu nga tubwatisi egera tonyore tutagiteke kwa out of webinde bikomi mwateba ngo bahande ista usingo bahande bitano ibinde tukwa nojumo at least twanyorege again, and it is going to be done. So I'm encouraged with how His Excellency the President is supporting us. Even in education, he has supported us fully. Yeah, everything we ask for, he'll tell us this is how we want to handle it. How to support, guidance, and all that. Egara want to benefit. Can you imagine? How would I have managed to upgrade the school in 1 year? We have been having only 2 from 1963, and but it is there to see what
Thank you.
Waziri wade mnoge ntoko sanga magana yo masebo. Waziri nganjiri ngora numega kidogo tu 9.4 billion kule 9.7 wekrawani getara chitara bwatu
is for the schools by Guiri. Wano konyaro mwana okopoli nga uchire kuli komi. That is the discrepancy. So ababaku igora bono because also we do this ababaku enda we have a program. It is actually progressed. It is tied to the opening. It's tied to the opening. Onye naro ro tara or by Guiro tara nyora. Sometimes it's because of information yarwete incorrect, or say a batch was each bank. There's a way the money is sent in batches to their account. So, but those are problems that can be resolved. But 9.7 has been released, and we made sure that the upkeep has been released because Mbako and the school bata
yeah. Key agendas cho mkato tarabu na koja kwenda. One of the key agendas cho mheshimiwa the president mheshimiwa Daktari William Samoei Ruto chalinga marani the TVET chikos cho moka and everything. We krabo niga TVET ndo cha maswa nara kulwa mangana the TVET ya ngo igura chire next week chinde kobo no krabo niga mbabu atiboro kyabaisa ina chi skuru chiri. Chiro cho what is the status yichi TVET na bego VTC agency ya Kenya.
Now, amangana TVET are very progressive. It's a very good pillar at the heart of this government and the heart of the president. When Kenya Kwanza came into power in 2022, we had 297,000 trainees in all the TVETs in Kenya. How many? 297,000. Normally, we've been taking to university 20% of the students who graduate to KCSE. Last year we were the highest. We did 28%. Meaning, last year, for example, about 965,000. 28% pakaende university. Meaning about 700,000 students budget bali qualified kwenda university. Ngabo wana tukogenda KMTC was a TVETs. So ekaroko nyora university bwata 1 million, TVET bwata 297. Now 1 million is equivalent to 28%, 297 is equivalent to 70%. There was a misnomer. The thing was upside down. So we came up with a program to increase enrollment. So from 2022 to 2024, when I came to the office, they were at 375,000. They had added something like 80,000. So nkameke program yoko raise ya 1 hour to 2 million. President Gantevi raised this number to 2 million. We started working with the Ngao, the chiefs, Chibarasa, and all that. We've been able to move that number by June this year to 700,000. 700,000. What does that really mean? We can So because of the numbers, we requested to allowed Kolika 5,500. He approved a year. what is we are working on now ne budget. We need about 1.2 billion kulika our trainees yaba bale 5,500. Again, I was in treasury on Tuesday. I was pushing for that 1.2 eger tulika abana so that abalimu aba so that we can now have trainees to support those students, because we've done a lot in the TVET sector. We have even changed and increased the programs. We have made to ayara osirie such that onyo gotoete gocha kwa mason olio ko koleya magenoka you go to TVET also magenari for a month or we certification a micro certification for mason ogende okore guys. If you need to come umanya plastering, you can come back uplaste uirane. We have done modular, yeah, so that you can come in and out, so that you can fit ndoko beke a college kore mason nege songo togo somi umwako mugima to you are not earning. To achinchiringa, can you come in work or into maybe no mondo that go etuki. You know, you just come in, you cannot be a classroom kolan going for a year. Yeah. So we have changed it to a rich policy ya monero ko RPL, recognition of prior learning. Abantu baroko nyale mechanic muyasan lakini tabwati karatasi. Wono ne karata kiriko kuri kusamwe yago se kwa gasi go se promotion ta kwa kirata bwati karatasi. Ona go che college itu twa motest twa mwa certificate ko rukunga recognition of prior learning also abono the formal economy. Twa retire ngento ko rukunga dual training. Dual training ne linga omwana gasoma 50% of the time in classroom, 50% yogenda se industry. So nye buno nye ndiko ka cholera or something industry lirega also onye food and beverages ogenda industry also onye gari osomera totebe hospitality also make rasi half the time ogenda hotel gete also. And we are training everybody now. No na bantu bakulisi chombe, no na bao kama we are training them, no na chia house managers, we are training them so that we are learning ngakia wake pass ngakia you know ngakita kutumia match. We are training everybody so that now you have quality, because a market give us people who can do the jobs for us, so that the skills, what are those skills? So we are doing in that space. Now in Kisii, you know, we have a government policy in each constituency etuare a TVET. In Kisii there are all the constituencies of TVETs except Ponchari na Umachoge Borabu. So we are working on that, and we want to ensure that maybe in the course of this year, but by next year to those colleges, because again of the numbers, it is important. Nyamira, we elevated it. It is now a national polytechnic. So we have Kisii National Polytechnic and we have Nyamira National Polytechnic. So we are doing something in that space. And I was there yesterday. I found they are very good, very many machines. I advised them on what they have to do. What machine chikoro block nganyore chibekire nyomba nkabatejiru zugu nyomba chiru ekona mata sa marobali banze koro block baonelia bantu. You know, there is a way that we can do this thing to continue to benefit from it. Na chiri chitabu ati machines, we are pushing China Korea machines to distribute. Another thing that I'm doing, government institutions, you find chigali chikwete chire packed. You find chimotorbike chikwete chire packed. Okona nyagitari kwa nyora machine chikwete chire con. So I have written a paper, cabinet paper, ngosabanga toba allowed as the Ministry of Education under the TVET to chigali chire just pin into vivions to distribute in our institutions chirichigokora those so that they use them. Kiarabona kwa ndokanyore maybe institution yebwate mechanics ebwate maybe gari AM akiri hizo kutoka ngantu bwate gari nyingi aba bana bakosoma chinji nichiri nebintu bine. So we are doing something in that space to ensure abantu beto are benefited from it. And as we do national policies, they also trickle down to Kisii. Yeah, they are not isolated. They benefit, but we are also working on even the equipment to reta watch.
Waziri tiga kubuli likongwa kebon.
Yes.
Ono egas.
Yes.
Akatuma ko set to ko ono egas bi. Legit.
to our listeners Sara
Sara,
Mange
you go
motabete bwango monyora ya inoka will run out of time.
Funzi 40 ose 400 abalimu batatu balimu abo kanye bango somi kuna abalimu balenga bangi ili abuli ngorengero nanda akiri asemena linyi amaruba abana abajumbe baka kale koena na gali na kibono gyachegeka.
Good. Yeah. Now under CBC,
Yes.
What has happened is because we were in the process to graduated trained in CBE. So they are teaching and they have STEM and all that.
Yes.
But we are also having a program. Yokuri tool abalimu baliba roho. In fact, under this month, August, the retooling was taking place, being done from last year, so that now you have enough teachers as we continue increasing. As you know, to commit the STEM requirement to bring the number to 100,000.
Kenya kwanza vinga abali kitu mwako yiga mbarabo oriented bamachika bari tool.
No. Some of the ones that are being done are already trained. They are current graduates in STEM. No. I was in very CBC ready. But tools, they will be retooled in December so that they are ready to go in January. An amount of money that was given to ensure that retooling is taking place. Over and above that, they have 9,000. They have 9,000 JSC students, and they have 300 teachers. Now, when you divide 9,000 by 300, what do you get? You get 1 to 30. You get 30, and that means the ratio of teacher to student is 1 to 30. When the international requirement is 1 to 35, which means we are in between. We are within the numbers. What needs to be done is the realignments, the reallocations, the moving around of teachers, so that we have enough teachers in each school. That is the position. Your second question of whatever remember, and I can't give you an answer to that question. Yes. I came in August when this process was going on. Yes. So but what I know, TSC does the employment of teachers. It's their mandate, the employment of teachers, and they do advertise. Like now, they've advertised for the 20,000 or the 24,000. People are supposed to apply. They are shortlisted, and then they are employed. So that issue of Marube Koenanu, I can't answer some. My background is low. I have no facts to it. I have no data. I can't answer to it. You'll have to ask that specific person who wrote maybe Kurwa Maru, Umubolinga Kia Kurwa Maru. Yeah.
Bakubatana na baiguna Brian Mutonga na Kakasungura ebinto amabona mangarega job so we just a few na aragunga kindly may waziri address the issue of those schools that missed capitation with name is Era Masaba South Inova School to 197 learners, of which only 2 learners reflected kindly. That's one of the questions, job.
Uri waziri umurubiri abwatere na CS Interior Murkomena so gotango go of kiosks, seeing wines and spirits near institutions of learning. There are bars near schools and even was clubs, yondo bolidia nandi lyokoranga ndi bolidi sana n'abantu abange oyuga bolia seta gaiga kurwa Kisii TV page ya ondo chenga. Ask the CS about Kitutu Church Technical and Vocational College, which has stalled since 2017 till now. The contractor is on site here. The institution has trainees. What are the plans for such institutions? Ina rabere na algeri mokorua seta yelinde korua se Kisii TV. Beti mkate nilira korua se page ya Gatembe.
KMTC. Jabete launch tikaya chit. Lia kabiri mwanafunzi naro ore Nairobi University atabanga government mbegete number 3. You went to work on 44, lakini yaraga go sub 66. You mean ngana number 4 abekire.
Thank you. Naro kuboli wetra Kisii TV kuboli nga kia mwasi contract ya chete kasike skuru ya kagana ne bunga motka amaka etire eyu waziri na
It's the same one.
respo.
It's the same question.
Okay. Abigora ba naro kuruka mwanafunzi ateba akorte cases last year kurasa skuru ya St James yon salia abantu ko join na masine muri university kule no ikraboni iga tara gu results slip ya kuru skuru nga nonye directive ya ruru abantu ko join on 28 masine muri university kobono tabuga tibindo bitakeire.
Inaendelea Mheshimiwa Waziri, during Uhuru regime, NHIF for students in secondary was fully paid by the government. Does the current government have such plans with SHA to help students in secondary schools?
Okay.
Thank you.
So quickly, the missing capitation in the challenge ya NEMIS, like I've said, this particular issue was being addressed, lakini currently they must try and ensure wana variable atembare inside the NEMIS so that yawe able konyorachi the next capitation. So it's important that he does that, and if he has a problem, he can reach out very quickly, even manually, to the ministry, egere awe assisted. Points and spirits, it is true that the Ministry of Interior is working towards ensuring close to the schools. It is so we are working with them to ensure either the licenses or chiba moved, but they are working on it. We have made that request that we don't want wines and spirits or bars near the schools. The Kitutu Church TVET, I actually talked about it. It is one of the TVETs that needs to be completed. It has not been completed. Take care of what happened. Ever alikuwa acha a TVET with a specific amount. Bakameokore variation. Kama kore variation, TVET chigaetani chichi chibwena toko wakanwa. And remember now tena kere institution ikwa wache mentane Kenya Kisii National Polytechnic. Now Kisii National Polytechnic teko sababese kose kane unless ye body ya Kisii National Polytechnic verify nga variation ya correct ne legitimate and they are correct. So last week the current principal and the board actually went to Kiamwasi for checking what has happened. They are supposed to meet next week. Pamanya to report back confirm that variation for the payment to be done. The money is actually there. Payment until those processes are done, because it was a variation, it is out of the figures. Even okay, KMTC timpu at data, your information this falls under the Ministry of Health, but I can find out what is happening, and maybe through you guys I can let you have that information. Pass over what happened to it and all that. One of the Babu in the 144 instead of 66. These are the ones I was saying. If that is the position, let him go back to the portal. I indicate why they think they should be paying that. That is like an appeal.
Yes.
So we look at it and correct it for him. If we find that the case is deserving, to change. KSC result slip. And then say the county director of education or the sub-county director of education, that issue will be followed up and they will get the result slip, because when I cover detained at all. NHIF and SHA. You know the current SHA, students are beneficiaries of the parents or the guardians. So guardians say when they register a student beneficiary, so automatically over covered based on the principal, the anchor person or the principal of the parents. So they just need to confirm the parents registered. In fact, last year when we were dealing with SHA, early this year, we did issue a circular to parents to go about register and make sure abana all your beneficiaries on it. So the father rights and all that. If there are any challenges, we just raise this issue, and then we'll deal with it at higher level. But otherwise, under SHA, all the relatives or your children are registered under you as beneficiaries, and you still get the treatment, because there are no special different hospitals for students and for the public. It's the same thing. So it works the same way.
ase ekera ndochirireria chakire gochenchiga bono goika tochi twayiririe gokora omorobiri ochideka tobwate chinke sana nimaete Brian anchete siasa sana agokembete sana akuboria magana two tam na one tam korende nche egendo nagocha kubori ndoche is one obeire ondikire inbox yane koranga igare asisumbugete biragerere sana nga niga unit Kisii campus September last year paid fees only to be told there will be no classes and no directive was given. I tried to request for a refund, of which many attempts failed. Every office I went to, they always turned me left, right, and center, and that's how I lost my 50,000. I've never healed from this. Kisii was one of the campus I never expected I could get such kind of a treatment.
Hardship Mandera balimu n'abanafunzi bali bakosoma
hardship ngaki
ani yalima agatebanga bana bali bakosoma chinsemo buna chiria kuruga ekaro moko capitation moko va fund which chinsemo buneri ko consider mole nandu bakorwa guchia.
Okay,
Ono
confirm walimu ba
Yes.
balimu bali contracts.
Okay, I'll deal with those
Yes.
confirmation of teachers.
Yes.
So first one, Kisii campus paid 50 no classes. That is a strange thing. No classes, how? So this is a special case
Yes.
that needs to be dealt with. Gekoru, maybe again the university or VC. I can book an appointment for it because it's not possible if you are paid fees. Bonekarat classes did not go on, or he was not allowed to attend classes. Yes.
Kisii main campus, what happened? Kisii campus for those students who applied for certificate and diploma courses.
Oh, so you need. I have no data on that. They just need to go there and find out. Now, I'll ask the VC to address this if they can come through you so that it is sorted out. Because once you pay, if there are no classes and for sure you did not attend, I'm sure that the refund can be done. Hardship. The way we do capitation is not based from Asokuru. We do capitation as Sukuru. We just use the numbers as Sukuru. And whether you are in Northeastern or in Kisii, if you are in secondary, capitation is 22,000. On your call primary is 1,500. On your call JSS is 15,000. There's no hardship is dealt with separately in other spaces, like for teachers and all that. On confirmation, one of the reasons why Kupet went on strike last year when I came is because they had 46,000 teachers, but Agete cover confirmed. To confirmed January, wakambika pressure sana abgati inbox ya nige ichora sana. They visited me quite a bit, but they were eventually confirmed. So confirmation is based on availability of budget. So I will need to go to TSC and find out the budget nero yo confirm balibale in the contracts that are coming to the end. But what I think is going to happen is that the budget will be looked for. Yeah.
Chinga kindo chimbora ya chire sana na boigo ntotetio tueru kidogo ine wekraboni gali ogendere sana sorongo rwabusi Kenya ingimara kila mahali kwani gawange kusige bate banga it's a new term for mheshimiwa former interior CS Fred Matiang'i ine mheshimiwa wakili Migos Ogamba ayensa dikito kwa nyanyar kurwase ngombe yewe nkainga yobere tamanya are you one term new term ama namna gani
Brian?
Yes sir.
Tukubudi swali kuronge.
Support
Nagora ambolinga which side inde Korucha said. I've told you from before that Esrekari today is doing development for us. You would be mad to say, okay, that's now utiga secretary as a Esrekari. So to ask me that question is actually not courteous. Yeah. I think what you should be asking me,
public demand.
What you should be asking me is how we are going to do development in Kisii for the next 7 years in the Ruto administration. And let me tell you, I've also been a politician. My to win elections is not easy. Na temire chikora na nya wakora. My to no last time I was running no Muskoli Olenge, my predecessor. I was his DG. We didn't win. We lost here, and by the way, mtu alikuwa running koba in the cabinet. We were running koba governor na deputy governor talo. Mheshimiwa Ruto akaranga kutwamnyo kama ono twaso etitiga atubeke in cabinet oyo makora 2.5 oyo ndakora 2.5 utwarenga morendo so that at least kero to test rege again because mtu alikuwa kobaga ni kwa area yake na kwa hiyo mimi nasema asante sana. I am very very thankful and grateful for that position. Number two, I'm coming to it. Number 2, ekaratu alao karachikura 2022. We were underrated. That will not win. That the Ruto will not win. In fact, we suffered here. No ndege land, it could not land. Helicopter, we suffered. But we still won. What I'm saying, etora Europa ka 2032, ingoro bono, utarengo. Ngoro. Tindo jone. Ende varengo bonsi to deal now the way we dealt with them that time. We'll deal with them the same way. I have no doubt. That's why ngoja kubatenga tikatwe bange. Toso assess serikali ime tonyora magenderero paka 2032. Tindo tanga muntu to tema no ni mtu ateme. You will in, but it is no guaranteed. So is guaranteed. Ngakinda ruo. I can't. Anonde paka mwisho. And I'll do everything possible in Kisii and Nyamira to make sure we get the right numbers for our team. We will work day and night. We katore tamagender to borok. For example, I have told you we are going to employ another 24,000 teachers. Some of them will be from Kisii, Tualetire University, Tualetire na upgrade rechi school, na letre rechi TVET. Chipara nkoro suchiru mukubwa nkoro shel chipara. Ama chengo chari. Fertilizer nja aletwa, rono igenda gara nakole nero we reduced fertilizer, there is food now on the table. We are doing ICT hubs. Abana waitumbacho wanyore the 70,000 shillings from each constituency, about 100 young people. What are you going to tell us? Tutara akora, ilo denga nanga muarwo nchinkore. Nki, kero. There's nothing. So by 2027, I will ask you, abantu witabakusi, utumakiria matem. Utengaki, abana bachire grade 10. Abana ngosoma bare school. Twakura mangane funding model. Shango korere gas. Chiparanchiror. Amachinaror. You know, you cannot win with slogans. Slogans are easy. You go to a funeral, you talk slogans. You find the people on the road, you talk slogans. Lakini the actual work, unibono tokora. Kogenda paka alia sibaje zikorosu. Kusabe tokonye infrastructure. Toroselia match. It is hard work. We negotiate to do this. So it is not enough. Nenda bandwa mindaba kusi. Again tugiachire kusiga igan chintanya kor. Nyekere funeral rere abantu ba mobilize. Yani ugocha funeral nejigun chigocha wakara jinko. Mweba mangana mwatiga ebirero mwarenge mwachakorelisia abantu bakwereire mwanza okora ebintu bitali korrekana mwogerera abane ngotakwana oyakwane ayankora tuleki panga mpango yenu ya siasa mwairoro chifuneral kwakira abantu mwabune birugo mwakora. That is disrespect. Nakignate everything koronga ki mtuabo kusina abantu twalenga bangai inki kia toroga tugoche goikase ebirero mwamanya konyora bono ebintu byokwanu ororo mbikole thiki mbisait naende kwanyanga nawe na ebintu byokwanu yokwanu abakabaro abantu abanene tusigite ananga bagoteba ikintu kibwenete okorunga gaiga nebirero to respect a family. Inu mwacha muri politicians, you are not hurt. Mwe wete bororo bondo wens. Mwakora ebintu bita ikendiki wika stop. Wikamutiga manganayo. Umuntu tigoche rero umuntu oliosirete baya abantu bamino pole kwana mangana moro genda. Lakini siasa giko ikali geti kero angre siasa ono kwana mangana mno korete uno tagite saba chikura chao torore gosengo korore singubu
Karo ko raiga ase ngubwati sagini kan siasa tole 2.5 obo amate bwao na your predecessor.
Obuya, we have a very good relationship. Mwaka already is a person I respect. We work, Nimos Getekara is a senior, no Montore straightforward. He did his job for the time that he did. Hasukiwa, Kaegwa, Nanjinabwatiro, Nanjinkola, Senguikera, Sengote, Sukia, Suke. Because he has ye, Teliamo. Your colleagues, for the time, Kwayari, you serve at the pleasure of the president. 1, you don't know why he appointed you. 2, you don't know where he has removed you. Maybe you are not able to do your work. You can't know. So to blame mundo ndinga kinga scenario sere tugo yonde ketaka akai we care ni ndukyo manyan bono na korangirin ko ge ndukyo ngikiane no ma ko inisis dinga no kware ko vera pa ko kwen. So life we just accepting you've served your part. You will not be here. No I want to kero ke ture. Muna mata wane kya bagusi. Baba usimbare ngaba vero. Rombaro bono. Kero munda ko vero ukora. So you appreciate that and you be thankful for koegwa a chance you go serve abakenya. Njekera lito karanko boka ngweboli rero ibintu ngo chokora. Ngokonya bira abana be school. Ekaranko etango enda go school no boli chintara bajanga boli muru chichi basi nchire kigenda tukuira abana school chiko etachire abana mbale school. Bas. Yona kodre gas egento kuchandika ngeli buna wono okonyora abana maybe strike ejinchi asumbwete chane kyara kero koiro mwane school obero myaka kianda. It is the whole community okora ekosava. So I didn't want that to happen. And ngiri libageli gotebya baiboli ndatocha koiro on Monday nechinterewa chikocha kubugoli abana kamuranche mugendi gali ngora muiri chigali ngora mubwate fuata sheria egara abana baike school safely because these are our future. This is why we wake up. Ekaroko nyora abana bali monde na boro kwenda school kwa rabuna very passionate about their dreams. Batagete ko grow. Bachakoba abantu. You cannot make wrong decisions. And you talk about tumia una politics. Naro dire kera abantu ba ko enda gali osine radio station ayo denga education trio karagas education ya kule omontor mwae oyiro mwana ya school omo drop omo ko ende TV station o tebang education ya kule kotigo mwana school ngire ko ero mwana school kwale komutika bereka watanga education ya salika. So tutagete abantu baitumu tokonyane asa makosa ali na moto de makosa nara twarekebisha. Unaona CBA kara twarotanga maths te ebe optional abantu bataya gatumike maths hesabu bali bakora STEM bakore pure maths abandi bakore maths ire essential maths ire applied. So kero muntu atware nini kidogo ya maths atware knowledge kidogo yechisa we listen, and once we listen we course correct so that we can have a perfect system for ourselves. So twalwanchira na yanga tubwatira namo tungusiramo kara tungusiramo una leaders na bantu beto bonsi etoko make more impact. Maete ba tanga no nengoli string yam ekubutoka bwango kubwa string iren isato karamu bwatira nete you have more energy, you have more power ne karamu sabe gendo mo tegera akine karatu atana ne tora masa guchya tuwaka chisabu chitali boronge etokoi. Unaona bantu ba minto mboboli ose Raila twari kurwana komo diri elections bona ero chiri twasoire broad based igotara uchige ndonga ngikere ga broad based asa serikali itutumayo tenga bono karuna ende ga asa serikali mehenda sanga ganye myaka iri kunyawoje emyaka ine chiki emyaka ine chakore chiki gigoika abantu beto balwara to kimbaro paro to bwatsi that is all. Lakini bono iga tutam.
Thank you waziri. Magana kugure unatira magana tuta kugure unatira magana bomo busiko bono because of the interest of time of get station chichiko yali kan koleta magana maye waziri. Thank you so much. Tioko kwa 1 minute yo for your parting shot much asinga kwa ekolire ko watu wanjira ntoko benteta ke moyo for your parting shot.
Biamono brand no job biamono mukate red based asoko nginivaiti go chaga ika kukwana n'abantu baminto enche nko basabanga tubwaterane abantu baminto tobeamo naende kinde buna bono ninche nde minisa yoka kurukisi mumbwatisie egere tubwaterane kurukisi ya Nyamira egere kurugusii egere tubwaterane nari tugutwara chinguru none kara mogontuma nkoteba ng'ana atumitu n'abantu bonsi egere twanyora ebintu biri tugusaba biachire igo kugenda mutua ase emiaka eyetigarete tupime naende tusome history tupime naende tokore tusome history intobasa konyora ng'a twabikire chikadi chitu ase chitamere omaete nabo okoruta chibando buna ebibilia egoteba onyore kwayerutete ase amagena bande ite gokora ki tekwama omorigereri ng'aki nkai ebando yaito torabeke kore ki yame naende inche ndoche ase ebando yaito torabeke yame ekiagera yaorokiri naende ntogende tokworokia obuya bwa eserikali ntogende tokworokia obuya bwa Dr. William Ruto inche ndote ng'a no tokobeka chibando chiito ekiagera twarorire obuya bokorete ki boro no chiramere abwo gochia motwe ka omonto onde arache gotoka ng'a nere orosirie mogondo oye nabo torachikorigereri gochia motwe lakini gochia iga 2032 nabo tore mpaka 2027. Asanteni sana, Nyasaye abasize.
We really appreciate your time sir. Na wewe chinga china nendo koligi nimeterere yeli ya tumjoki kidogo but asante sana waziri. Thank you so much for gochia somo lila sukare chinga cha mulilo Kisii TV. I really appreciate on behalf of Kisii TV. Asante sana. Wego on behalf of team yon spia leta mangana ya igaba koragwa nomo producer yetu kura sense ya Kisii TV Brian Mutonga na wego na Isaiah Maove. Thank you so much. Inchenkoro kwa Brian sagini sana inche muna vene karango mwarelio minto mkate enoka gogote gochia so gochia you have a good night na voigo torgani chinga kichinda. Asante sana.
Thank you.
Biamono waziri, biamono mwensia sogwancha. Watie masemo inkwane gabna yange na waziri, kurwa gabna tukwaniri. Amaswali no na mangarenge, lakini weni ntu nebiro byabayerera, ntu no byatwerreho. Chile dichon CP chialenge awetani sana esato chumugusi tunashukuru kwa sababu twabwaterana amo. Bitaseni bionsi BHTV mbiamana singencho twabwaterana. Kwa niaba ya aba producer bane Baren Kurugabo, Havira Kariri, Wilfred Matundra, Nara Harun Ototo, na Waigo Yokurkunganera Obed Mukwa, who is my managing director, Chim Katenok, Wagungankurukonga, bread-based, wana very recruited, MNCP, Mandakoli Magati, Mukobeka, Botkobia, and Kionelitko.
Asa nseme ibono mwancho mulgeria kero togokoro morobero bange batebire baria barenge na barabwonko irali bagereria bene kuyaneria bitaseni biko bwatiambia mona soko bwaterana Kisii Hot TV korawa nemo director wa Hot TV kaka Rogers kaka Sungura na boigo ne timu ya yengi babo Ali na boigo yokurkonga nere Dennis Nyabuto aka Kurkuntu boigo ntwarenge na baralia korwa segetaseni kyoyo minto television asensemo yende ntwarenge na baria bavuna radio narora oyo minto akoroka nga Dr. Nyagaka Timatisa Arusi obo Dr. obo kolende ntuche kubuliria boigo nere Brian ya China renga sensemeye Kisii FM jawa represented iga boigo Kisii FM nara MC Dudus na boigo nara Bande nara Hillary Kennedy Wanyona korwa Kisii FM People Daily yaba represented na Robert Ochorondo che abantu banda bange bogo korwa sigita senigeta ya television timu ngima yaragwa na Joseph Mose head of production bogo konywa na Methusela Omwagi na boigo Cyrus Omweri na sense mebano no toko romoroberio bwenkwana yabene nkwana twarenge gukwana na nero waziri which semi me Kenya akorokuanga Julius weteo no professor timets na rus kole no karambwango lira chitimeto saba okiringa wali professor Julius Migos Ogamba twabere tukwana na ende ninde no kugena waziri nto tugutwara chinkwana bune kera chinga kielinde twasemya bagusiba ito nabo igo twabatebya na kubarokeria ase abonete gucyanche nigo nkorwa Job Ongaga yukara chinga kichinde gendera kuligereria ebitaseni ebi wanchete asoro ngoro.